Guys, how we doing? So I have a couple of updates on what I did with some of my trades. No more Uber, gone. No more Micron, gone. And no more Lockheed. So I sold the last Lockheed at like 600%, I think is where I took it. And then I went to SPY puts. So I got some 434 SPY puts for today, and it's coming down. I think it's going to test this box. I'll see what happens around this box again. It already got a little bit of test. I got them like right around here. But I'm out of the Lockheed. AC right now, 1703. Let's do a little quick Orte as everybody's filtering in. But everybody, I mean, we're all printed today. Today's a solid day. I'm having fun with these SPY puts going into close. That was absolutely nuts today. That Lockheed trade was absolutely wild. So it ended up going, I think it was like 750% at one time. And then I was like, oh boy. Oh boy. Let's see. So AMC right here, 21.12% estimated short interest on AMC, minus 2,600 shares net. So 2,600 shares were returned today. 1.26% average cost to borrow. Again, this data, this utilization data is nonsense because it's impossible to have cost to borrow this low and keep decreasing as there's like no shares left. So SPY puts look all right here. Let's see it on the 1 minute. Yeah, looking good. Hovering right around this 13 EMA. If it breaks down into this box, that'll be a nasty hit going into the end of the day. We don't need to leave Lockheed up anymore. Lucid, I ended up getting out of, so I got out of Lucid on TMI's channel earlier on this candle. Wow, that was a good sell on Lucid. I haven't checked that after I got out. Woo! Here we go. Let's see here. And yeah, no Lucid anymore too. Yeah, I got out of Lucid on what do you call it? Got out of Lucid on TMI stream when I hopped over there. I had already made it free. I sold another one. Then I was like, it's coming down pretty hard right here. No, thank you. So also for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. That's all I asked for. I mean, we were printed today. Those plays were absolutely dirty. Lockheed, Uber, Micron, all of them. Lucid. I mean, they were nuts. Like absolutely insane. So make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Engage with the content. Helps me out a whole lot. Trying to get this information out to as many people as I can. So, I mean, I want people to be printing. So let's see here. Twitter cross down. Can you suggest a video to learn options? Yeah, it's by the YouTube channel In the Money, and it's called How to Trade Options on Webull. It doesn't really, it sort of has stuff to do with Webull. It's a long video, but you're gonna have to put the time in to learn how to trade options. So, do you think SPY trend reversal seems likely? Yes, that's why I have puts on it right here. I have the 434 that expires today, so that's up 6.7% right here, and that's probably not anymore. Now it's up 2%. So let's see what we get over here. We got AMC bounced up a little bit, 1708. Let's see what happens with the SPY coming around here. I mean, it's probably going to be a pretty wild end to the day. Market looks pretty strong on the 5 minute. I would disagree. With this sell-off here. It could honestly be a head and shoulder. So you get shoulder here, head here, comes up, makes another shoulder, and then comes down. So that would suck. I'm going to watch for that unless it makes the shoulder down here. Then we could be all right to go. But let's see what happens going into the end of the day, folks. I mean, this could be a wild day. There, I was talking to TMI's Avocado, also Squirrel. Whoa, there it goes. So the key level is actually 435.50. I think it's some SMA on it. What is it? Which one is it? The weekly 50 SMA. They're fighting at it right here. So we got a little bit of a pop here on the SPY. I mean, I'm still holding these contracts. They can screw off if they're going to try to fake me out of these. I mean, I'll abide by the rules. If I need to get out of it, I'll get out of it, but I don't think I'm going to need to. So my first 175 AMC went long today. Another 225 go long on earnings day. Woo! J-Dub. There you go, buddy. Oh, Amy pop. I mean, SPY coming up here a little bit. Getting some candles over here. The buyers are trying to step in on this thing. Let's see what happens. I hope I can get some money back. I rolled my UVXY calls long. Sorry, sadly, but okay. Well, the UVXY puts yesterday printed for you guys. Those are dirty. Those were absolutely insane. I mean, I like it because I was calling out some nasty stuff yesterday and then I didn't get to play any of it, or I didn't hold it because I was paper handed because there were no 13. SPY 1 minute MACD cross up and right on that 48 EMA on the 1 minute. Let's watch this thing. Ortex updated for 215. Ooh, 20. Whoa. Okay. So 20.3% estimated short interest. What was the Ortex on the 15th? Ortex estimate on the 15th was 21.09. So we might short interest fall a little bit here. But we'll see what happens with this. Hurry up in my Foot Locker. I got no settled cash left. Just logged in my old Robinhood. I forgot about Doge back in 2017. Woo! Eric, you might have a lot of money over there. You might have a lot of money. What makes you paper hand? because there's nothing keeping me in the trade. Like when I YOLO stuff, it's like I don't know if it's gonna go, and then you just see like rug pulls, and I just get in my own head, and I'm like, yeah, I don't want to keep it anymore. I don't want them to expire worthless, which is very likely with some. Like right now with the SPY, everything's telling me I should probably get out of this trade, but now it's coming back down. I just also see SPY weakness going into the end of the day. Remember, I was talking about that little head and shoulders here. It could do it right here. Like watch it come up to maybe 436.92. That would suck for my contracts, but then if it tanks, like, okay, well, then I'll be right there for it. Tweet Gensler? Why? $181,000 from a $500 YOLO. Eric. Oh my God, dude. Woo, baby. Eric just had the best Friday of all time. Eric just found 181 grand. Oh, dude. There you freaking go. Tweet Gary Gensler. Why would I tweet Gary Gensler? Ask him what? He's not going to respond to me. Let's see. SPY flickering around a little bit here. Lucy coming down again. Amy starting to sell off a little bit here. Let's watch the SPY. Bro, the VXX looks awfully weak. Well, let's check UVXY. Yeah, damn it. All right. Well, UVXY could get a cross up here, and that would be nice. But UVXY is coming down. SPY's coming up. That sucks. Serious question. What percentage roughly are you up since starting 1348 this year? 150. It's right around where it is. It's 150%. And that's like in a month and a half-ish of using it. So 150% with 1348 on my entire account. So I'm going to need to start trading options to start figuring this stuff out. Yeah. Oh, Gary Gensler tweeted. What did he tweet, though? Anything cool? Or is he being an a-hole? Read my statement over unanimous vote. Proposed rule change. Oh, he's got a statement. Short sale activity. Interesting. Today, the commission unanimously voted to propose rules and amendments to broaden the scope of short sale related data available to investing public and to regulators. Oh, I know this one. So this is like 10 something. I remember this one. I'm pleased to support the proposal because if adopted, it would strengthen the transparency. Sorry. Of an important area of our markets that would benefit from greater visibility and oversight. Yeah. 13F2 make aggregate data about large short percent. Whoa. Available to the public for individual equity securities. Interesting. Additionally, the SEC would collect more granular data from large short sellers. The proposal will require market participants to carry large short positions in equity securities to report those positions and related short sale activity to the commission on a monthly basis. The raw data reported to the commission on a new form SHO would help us better oversee the markets and understand the role short selling may play in the markets. Ooh, baby. Oh, wow. This is interesting. The proposal will apply to certain institutional investment managers who hold in an equity security of the reporting issuer a short position of at least 10 million or the equivalent of 2.5% or more of the total shares outstanding, or who hold in an equity security of a non-reporting issuer a short position of at least $500,000. Ooh, I like this one. That's a pretty interesting rule right there. That's a pretty interesting rule. How can you make 181 grand on 500? You buy Dogecoin in 2017 and just leave it there. I guess that's how. All righty. So UVXY coming back up. SPY starting to make its way back down here. Let's see what happens. I mean, 435.50 is a level. These contracts are bleeding out, I think, probably. Yeah. No, they're only down 16%. That's fine. How was walking to class today? Bro, you think I go to class, Bob? You're up 21% this week from 1348. But today with DraftKings was a big failure. Yeah, I never touched DraftKings. Never touched it. SPY moving back down here on the 1 minute. Let's check it on the 5. Amy, 1710. GME, 117.91. Yeah, I never checked. I never played the DraftKings. Was it a shark fin or did it just never go? I was watching it and then I was like, yeah, it crossed. And then you got it a little bit. You got a little bit of movement. But then once it crosses below this 13, it's time to go. It's time to go. So, I mean, I don't even want to check Lockheed. That was probably the dirtiest trade that I made in a while since a firm. That a firm trade. So we've hit 2 crazy ones. Yeah, I don't really go to class. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. We did hit some really dirty plays today. So if you guys don't mind, helps me out a whole lot. Hit that like button on the stream. BBIG Ortex? Yeah, I got you. I got you, Tim. Biggie. Threshold list, 26.7% estimated short interest. They haven't come out with BBIGs for this yet. But it was 31.63 the last time it was reported on the exchange. SPY, you absolute a-hole. Let's see here. Oh, Tim, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Can you break down T? I'm up about 1,000% on 1348. Oh, 2350 call, but looking to YOLO into 3 p.m. Please and thank you. Yeah, I can't tell you what to do, but I can look at it. It's bouncing off the 13. SPY's moving up. I mean, it looks good. If you haven't taken any profit yet, I mean, that could be the good time to do it. Squirrel, what are we doing here? I mean, I'm struggling over here on these puts. I'm getting beat down. I'm getting beat up with these puts right now. Oh, it's hurting. Yeah, another test here. It could come back up. I'm gonna cut it. Wait, hold on. Am I? Yeah. I don't know. Where's my stop? Oh, it's just above it. Damn it. All right, let's see. I noticed using 13 EMA as support when it crosses may help second thought. Yes, it does. It very much does. Did their short cover all their AMC positions yesterday? No. It did. No. Yeah, I'll probably cut this. Yeah, this is going to get cut right here. No, thank you. Bye-bye. Hey. All right. Hey. Oh my God. I can't cut. I can't get it. All right, there it goes. That'll fill. All right, out of the SPY puts. Now we're done. So those AT&Ts are probably going to do well. I can't really make any moves for the rest of the day, but I mean, I was up 50% on my account today, more than 50% on my account. I think I was up 55, 60% on the money that I used for trading today, which is ridiculous. FUV is ripping. What's a FUV? Not anymore. This is a giant shark fin. Right now, SPY short-term puts bad idea. That's what I think too. That's why I just ditched it. So I don't know. I probably had the best day. Where's Lockheed right here? I mean, Lockheed, if it comes up, makes new hot. It's just chilling here. Bonehead move of the day. I was looking at the 405s on LMT when I was at 401, and you bit. Oh, Rogue Civilian. Oh, those are what I had. I had the 405s. What's the difference between money in my account and settled cash? Settled cash is what's available for trading. Let's see here. All right, people. I'll still call out some plays for you people, though. How about that? How about we do that? Just make sure you guys hit that like button. I'll feed you the plays all day long on the crosses. All right, I'm praying to the market gods for SPY put. Yeah, mine was not great. I mean, AMD is usually nasty on Friday afternoons. We've done that a few times. AMD's it's coming up a little here. Let's see. SPY flick. I mean, that's on the 1 minute. I'll throw it back on the 5. What do you mean, you people? You know exactly what I mean by you people. Can I get an air fist bump? Here you go. Max Payne this week, 17. SV, appreciate you. Marco, thanks for being here, buddy. All right. So Amy right now, 17-12. Just kind of chilling. Chances of a Moderna cross. Moderna is coming up a little bit. It's coming up a little bit. But, I mean, it could cross. I mean, you'd really need it to get above this here. This little high. SPY flickering around here. Thank you, STV. 807% on T calls, 408% on KHC calls. Boom. Printing over here, people. That's what we like to see. SPY calls good play into close. Could be. I mean, I was going for the puts. They're up like 20% at one point. I didn't take it because I thought I was going to come down. I probably should have taken it here, but took a little loss on it. It's fine. Can someone please buy 1 billion worth of AMC? I mean, I can't do it. Ho, Tim, thank you so much for the supers today, man. I really appreciate that. Any reason why GME is down today? Well, GME and AMC had big days yesterday, and they're struggling today. I mean, that happens. Sometimes they get little reversion plays on them. Oh, I didn't know it's Friday already. This week went fast. Yeah, it did go fast. Tim, thank you so much, man, for all those supers. I really appreciate that. Let's see here, peoples. Eric P could make a nice purchase. Eric P could make a nice purchase if he chose to do that. It's up to him, though. It's his money. He can do whatever he wants. Snap? Interesting. Snap. Nothing. Amy, 1715. Hopefully we get a little run on Amy into close. That'd be pretty sweet. AMC Ortex. Yeah, what is it? I just did it, but they returned like 2,000 shares. It was nothing crazy. Yeah, 2,600 shares returned, 21.12% estimated short interest, 108 million shares sold short, 1.26% average cost to borrow. Utilization's bullshit. Thank you very much. You just hit the like button and it made me feel all warm and fuzzy. Bumpy pickles. I appreciate that, man. I was 100% rooting against your SPY puts and for my UVixie puts. That's fine. That's fine. You can do that. That's allowed. It's fine. I already did good on everything else, like almost everything else today. So we'll take it, man. Baba cross up. Let's look. Baba doing all right. I mean, not yet, but it needs to get above the 200 EMA. SPY coming up here a little bit. UVXY probably coming down. There you go. 15 million put order on SPY 13 March 18th. Oh boy. Lucid shark finned really hard. I'm glad I got out of those. They were up 200% at one point. Those were dirty. Oh, it's coming back up. Yeah, Lucid. I think I got out on this candle. All of them. Just ditched the rest of them. SPY moving up here nicely. This could be interesting into close. Wasn't good? Tim, how'd that happen? I literally went wild today with the third. Well, you got to be tight with the stops. Like, I'm perfectly fine with taking the losses and trying to let the winners run. Did I get out of LMT? Yeah. Yeah, I sold the last one at 600%-ish. Ukraine's on the SPY. You're in Lucid calls now? You went all in on Lucid puts this morning when the 1348 crossed down. I ended up losing everything. That's why you don't go all in without a stop loss. I'm sorry that happened to you, but you cannot do that. That is wild behavior. You can't do that. Down 13% on a position open before lunch break. Which one? SPY's coming up here nicely. Ho, ho, ho. What do we got here? Reuters says witnesses artillery rounds heard in Ukraine's capital of Kiev. Interessante. All righty, folks. Don't forget Biden at 2. Oh, that's true. Well, yesterday he pumped it essentially. AMC to 160 before close. That'd be crazy. Bitcoin. Yeah. I mean, you can trade the 1348 with Bitcoin, guys. And crypto. Wow, SPY's coming up here a little bit. You got out of LMT at 422%. My biggest win yet. Thanks for 1348. Megan. There you go. That's what we like to see. 400% gains on a Friday. Woo. Where else are you going to get that, people? Where else? All right, people. Let's see. SPY loves war when there's blood. Yeah, sometime. I mean, it was coming down. But now it's just ripping. Let's see here. Twitter cross up. Did it? I mean, things might start to cross up here. It's doing all right. Oh, he's only announcing the Supreme Court pick? Oh, that shouldn't be a really big deal then. Oops, something just fell off my desk. What are your opinions on DWAC? I don't like it. It's too volatile. That's why I don't like it. The company's probably going to do all right, but if they can get enough users on there. But in general, it's just too volatile for me to be like, oh, yeah, I want this. It's just Shark Fin City over there. It's literally Shark Week on DWAC, just every single week. Be very careful. Unpredictable so far as what he will. Okay, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, Lockheed was the winner today. Good for you on anybody who hit that. That was awesome. All right, so AMC here, 1714. GME, 118.10, down 5.2%. JMC, down 3%. Let's see. SPY's moving up here. I mean, I'm happy I got out of those puts. Could have went in on the calls, but, you know. I just like SPY puts. Dude, WTC 1348 today, 101% gain in 90 minutes time. Not bad at all. Lawrence, add a freaking boy. There you go. Big Dave, SPY's on meth. The SPY's on crack today. Like the SPY's up 2%. It literally rallied from like 410 to 436. Like this is just insanity over here. Oh, Wells Fargo. Still good, man. Still very good. You're sure he has more to say than his pick? He might. I don't know. I mean, they'll probably ask him. If there's going to be a press conference, they will ask him about stuff. Like, why wouldn't you? Like, if I would ask him, I'd be like, hey, What's going on? You sanction him yet? He's gonna be like, "Oh, no." We're like, "When are you gonna do it?" He's like, "That's how it would go." All right, so let's see. Let's see. Ortex on DWAC and fun. Yeah, DWAC. Let's see. All right, guys. Yeah. Also, if you don't mind hitting that like button on the stream. Oh, DWAC's on the threshold list. Interesting. 12.84% estimated short interest, 314% average cost to borrow. Now, they say 100% utilization, and that makes sense with the cost to borrow. Fun. Is fun having fun on the short interest side? Maybe not. Maybe it is. Let's see what happens. 100% utilization, 51% estimated short or average cost to borrow, 10.15% estimated short interest, like number 199. I appreciate that, you 3D print. Amy coming down, SPY getting a little candle over here. 5-minute MACD wants to cross to the upside soon and send the SPY up to new highs, which would be pretty cool going into close if we do that again. Don't love this AMC chart. Well, it's just been bouncing on 200 EMA all day. Greetings from Sweden. What do you think about calls on Netflix? It depends. Like, I'm not swing trading anything right now. I'm just day trading a lot of, like, not today. I wouldn't do it. Let's see. Why this rally? Nothing has changed more than inflation. It's more like less uncertainty, I think. And then there's so much money on the sideline that like, oh yeah, this is a good sell-off. And the other thing that you kind of got to think about is that with this war going on with like Russia, the United States is not going to raise rates as much. So they were projecting 50 basis points for the rate hike, which is 0.5%. And now they're doing 25 basis points, or not. It's not confirmed, but that's kind of what the expectation went down to, 25 basis points. So that's a good sign for the market. Why are the spreads so? Just no liquidity on the platform, probably, John. DWAC is also highly short and the cost borrows insanely high. Yeah. I mean, they're trying to go after it. Amy coming down to this 200 EMA again. SPY flickering at the 13. Military industrial complex rally. Yeah, man. I mean, we hit Lockheed today for a bonkers gain. Let me see how much I made on Lockheed today. I kind of want to, I don't know the exact number because I was scaling in and out. Nice. That's really good. Let's see. DWAC itching closer to 100. Not really. I mean, it's trying to get there. It was at like 136 in the pre-market that one day. It's getting this 5-minute MACD cross here. It could be. Is this 5-minute? Yeah, that's a 5-minute. That could be good. Home Depot going up. A Home Depot. Oh man, that's a dirty 1348 from 311 to 314. A $3 move in Home Depot is not bad. UG 345.50 on my line on the QQQ chart. I can't remember when or why, but it seems important. Yeah. Baba hasn't crossed. No, I also don't like Chinese stocks just because like I like NEO because it's EV and they can expand to other places. And I just don't, in general, I try to stay away just because like every once in a while, the US will just come in and be like, we're delisting China stocks. And it's like, bro, really? And then they're just going to tank and then they'll come back up. And then 3 months later, they'll do it again. It's like, I don't need that type of risk of like the government coming in and being like, haha, we might delist this and it goes to zero. Like I would just rather buy YOLO options all the time than risk a long position going to literally zero. Let's see. Okay. Amy, 1707. 436.45. Bob coming up. Let's see. Thoughts on what SPY will do? I don't know. I thought it was going to come down back into this range. I really did. But again, it just bounced. So if the 5-minute MACD crosses, which it could in the next 20 minutes, you could see SPY break a new high. How's that not manipulation by the CCP? No. It's manipulation by us. We are the ones that would delist the China stocks. But the reason is that it's their accounting standards. They're just like messing around and like not applying by GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. They just don't. Sometimes they just and if you don't now and the United States can prove it, they will delist you. So it's like, oh boy, that's a risk. If like you don't know what they're doing, and then they randomly get popped by not following some of these accounting principles, then they get delisted. bye all the money that you put into that stock, which would suck. SPY moving up here. Let's see. Well said about China stock. Risk just said something similar on a phone call 2 hours ago because Baba was suggested, I think, on the 30-minute chart. Yeah, I'm not touching it. I'll trade it sometimes, but like there's no need to hold in my mind, there's no need to hold it. Like, I just don't it's not for me. Like, it could be for you. You could be like, "I'm fine with this. I think Alibaba and all these other." I mean, I would hold NEO just because it's EV or like XPeng or LI and some of those, but just because I like EVs, just long term. But I mean, just normal stocks, companies in China that are listed on like as an ADR or ADS, I think, on our exchange, it's just not for me. All right, let's see. 1709 on AMC. Spy's coming back up here. We might get this 5-minute MACD cross coming up soon. It's got another wow, it's 30 cents away from the high of the day. But actually, no, that's not really head and shoulder anymore. One thing I learned living in China was that there's are 3 ways to do everything: the right way, the wrong way, and the Chinese way. I doubt they'll ever change their ways in that regard. Interesting, Thomas. Let's see. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind, as you're filtering in, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff. Hopefully, you guys are making a bunch of money today. If you have, make sure you engage with the content over here so we can basically get that experience out to other people. So we get some more people in here making money. Like retail's not supposed to be making money in this marketplace, and we are. It's great going to the weekend green with profits. 1348 rules. Yeah, man, it does. It's the bet. Like there's no other better thing. SPY moving up here. Let's see, 30 cents away from that previous day high. We're about to get that 5-minute MACD cross. Oh, here it goes. SPY coming up to the high. There it is. New highs on the SPY over here. So SPY calls would have been the play. Neo cross up. Interesting. Oop. Yeah, but it's a weak cross. It's not like an aggressive one. Let's see. Sold my SPY calls for 1,000%. Jesus. And I'm up 15% on new SPY calls. Jesus. Joined the 1348 membership yesterday. Barry, awesome, man. Learn the strategy. Let's get after it. Like everybody that's in here now, I think you guys know by now, but we do have that little free access period where if you want to join and experience the premium, you can. You'll get access to those 2 live streams, the private ones Sunday and Monday night, where with me, Gabe, and TMI, and we'll be going through everything 1348 strategy. And then you also get access to all of the alerts. SPY is over here making new day highs. AMC 1710. Come on, it's time to go. Time to go, people. 1348 is coming for you, Nancy. Yeah. Let's see. Micron climbs into close. Maybe. It's about to get a MACD cross here. SPY moon mission. Yeah. All right. 5-minute MACD is about to cross on the upside over here. This is getting interesting. Don't look at Lockheed. Fuck. It's not at the high now. It's not at the high. It's fine. Am I really gonna be mad if I missed out on an extra couple percent? Like, come on, an extra $100. I think I'll be all right. I think I'll survive. That Lockheed was so wow. SPY freaking moon mission over here, man. Jesus. Let's see. Yeah, Amy just kind of hanging up. The buyers just aren't stepping up. The buyers stepped up yesterday on Amy. Not today, though. SPY is just going nutty over here. Let's see. And we aren't even moving. Well, that's not necessarily true. We fell to 13. Can you belong to more than one Discord? Yes, you can. You can. If you have the same account, yes, you can belong to more than one Discord. Definitely hop in and check out us though, because like you get that little free access period and you're gonna be good. You're gonna learn at the end of the day, you're gonna learn a really powerful strategy. 400% on your spy call. There you freaking go, man. There you freaking go. Um, this is probably gonna be a dumb question, but I've got a full-time job. And the days I can't typically pay attention to the markets are Thursday, Friday, and occasionally Wednesday. How does the 1348 work with a full-time job, though, is my question. So, okay, so you can trade it on longer time frames with the 4-hour alerts, but like with the 4-hour time frame, and you can swing trade it. But here's the thing: right now, I personally am not holding anything overnight. I'm not doing. I just don't like it. Just because the market is so volatile right now, things whip back and forth. We saw the SPY go down to like 410. It's back to 436. It was just at 440. Like there's no trend in the market. So for me, it's better to just go quick in and out with some of these day trades and then be fine like that. So what you probably should do if you don't have enough time is you can consider using some of the 4-hour alerts once the market starts trending. Oh, Lockheed new highs, damn it. Or you can just trade on the days that you can with the 5-minute alerts. Thank you. I hit over 600% on my LMT call. John got in on it. There we go. There we go, John. I love to see that. So does this mean the SPY won't go down at all today? I don't think it will. You heard dump aftermarket today? I don't know. Yeah, Gabe. Yeah, you got to watch all the videos in there too. You got to watch all the videos. They're all in there. So AMC, I mean, I'm trying to look for stuff for Nia. Lucid might be one. Honestly, Lucid could be another one going into the end of the day. Lucid, AMD, Micron. I think somebody was talking about Micron. Lucid not really doing a whole lot with the SPY right now, but Micron probably is. Not really. Nothing's really. I mean, Tesla maybe with the or Apple in the SPY. No. Apple. What do we got over here? Apple maybe. Apple could be. I mean, you have to YOLO it though. That's the problem. Like, there's no cross on it. Did I get your tweet about the chip maker and the natural gas? Oh no, I did not see that. That's interesting. DraftKings shark finned a little bit today and was being a little bit of an a-hole to us. DraftKings is usually really good to us. Today it wasn't though. Today it was not. I lost on DraftKings this morning. I was playing puts on it. I think I did it twice. I had DO puts at some point. DraftKings, I was flickering around trying to do stuff, seeing where the market was going to go to just kind of get into just try to get in somewhere. And I got faked out on a Lockheed this morning and I took a loss. And then I got back in and made the 600% gain. Coca-Cola, I'm not trading Coke. Like KO, I mean, actually, this thing? Okay, so Verizon, AT&T, and Coca-Cola went absolutely nuclear today. What the hell is going on? These options must be going crazy. Yeah, 2,300% on these 62s. Wow, that's weird. I mean, it's up $2. That's a big move for Coke. Wow. Can you touch on the SEC and new short disclosure business? Yeah, we talked about that a little bit earlier. I'll put a video out on that tomorrow. Maybe tonight. I don't know. I got to see what my schedule is going to be like. You got Lucid Post. Try to sell them using Robinhood. Got a message that'll be flagged as a pattern day trader. Uh-oh. You are in a margin account and you exceeded 3 day trades. So one, I mean, you shouldn't be in a margin account if you're not using it. Trade Coke and Oxy together. No. So you're kind of screwed right now. You do have to hold it. Or you got to take the good faith or the PDT and they'll restrict you. If you haven't done it multiple times, though, I don't think the restriction will be that bad. I think you'll be all right. But I don't know. I've never had to deal with PDT. It's shark finned really bad. I don't like this. Like, look, it's shark finned or shark fin came back up. Actually, that's not bad. So I'll check the Ortex on it. Maybe a little squeezy over here. 35.46% estimated short interest, 11.63% average cost to borrow, 10%. I mean, 100% utilization. I mean, this thing could get a little squeezy over here. All right, you strangled Coke and Oxy. 1,100% up on T, 800% up on SoFi. Dude, you guys are literally, we have the biggest group of people just printing over here. Let's see. If you violate PDT on Webull, you get one reset every 90 days. Right, but that's 3 months. That sucks. Like, you don't wanna be restricted for 90 days. You can't day trade. That would suck. SPY moving up here again. Let's see what we got here. Wow, BlackRock is the top Russian bondholder. They took a massive hit this week. Oh, what Credit Suisse did it too. I think didn't Credit Suisse do something with bonds? Credit Suisse joins UBS in cutting lending against Russian debt. Interesting. Zero value. They margin called everybody. Okay, so that's another one. Yeah, so that's 2 of them right here. So Credit Suisse did it as well. After the first one, Hood makes you promise to not do it again, and you could trade normal. Interesting. I didn't know that. Yeah, so I think you get one. I think you get one oopsie on it. FUV moving. Let's see what we got here, folks. All right, let's see. All right, everybody. So SPY is starting to trend up here a little bit. AMC 1701 coming down below this 200 EMA over here. That's not really what we want to see. BBBY, huge gain if you bought call options at 12. There you go. I didn't really like that one. There wasn't really, you get 3. Okay, maybe you do. I've just never, in my mind, I was always like, screw margin. Why the hell would I need any of that? That's just the most risky thing ever. Like, why would I do that to myself? SPY flicker in here. We got GME 117.50. Only trade options on Robin. I don't trade it. I've never had it. I'm technically not allowed to have a Robinhood account. Not really. I had an application in there and then I just never completed it. And then you can't eat. But when I was doing it, I like couldn't email anybody to get it fixed to like remove it. And then I just had like an open application at Robinhood that's not completed. And I'm not going to put in the effort to go like do it now because like screw them. Let's see. I was flagged and restricted. I was eligible to lift the restrictions and trade again as long as I didn't get flagged again for 90 days. Interesting. All right, people. Yeah, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot, get more people in here. Let's see if we can get some trades going into the end of the day. I mean, how much settled cash do I have? What is it, like 20 bucks? $12. I'm done for the day. Unless I want a YOLO on SPY calls, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Let's see. TLT popping. Uh-oh, watch out below on the SPY. You ever dealt with pre-clearing trades and buys? No. Dropped a Hulk smash on that like button. Ooh, that was pretty cool. Thank you. I appreciate that. TLT is not popping. TLT is like not at all popping. TLT is downtrending. So SPY should probably continue to go up here. Oh, TLT is pooping. Oh, there you go. What's the JP Morgan thing about? Which JP Morgan thing? What happened with JP Morgan? Let me know. What happened with JP Morgan? Let's see here. Bing bong. The price is wrong. All right. What time of day do SPY puts get exercise? It depends on your broker. You have 8 minutes to get daily contracts. I also have $12 of settled cash left. China says Ukraine territory should be respected. Whoa, did they really just say that? China Foreign Ministry issues a statement on Ukraine crisis. Oh, I just got it. Okay, so hold on. China says Ukraine's territory sovereignty should be respected. China urges talks between Russia and Ukraine as soon as feasible. China calls for diplomatic resolution to Ukraine crisis. That's big. That is really big. If they mean that and they are going to put their money where their mouth is and act on that, that's pretty big. How do you go in and out of trades on those calls? I just buy and sell them. They have been saying that. That's not new news. Oh, I didn't know that. Sorry. I just didn't know that. China's been saying that, not new. Okay, thanks, Dan. Yeah, thanks. I didn't know that was new news. I'm again not a foreign policy expert. I thought that would be surprising from China. They're just saying that because they don't think Taiwan is sovereign. Okay. Don't you get punished if you do that too much? Do what? Buy and sell? No, I have a cash account. I can do it as many times as I want with settled cash. How many days we will allow guys? So the whole thing with like how many trades does it allow You guys are all in margin accounts. You don't need it. Here's why the brokers all want you in margin account. For the fees. You're the product. They want to make money off of you. They're not really going to make any money off of you unless they're getting paid for the order flow with like on the margin balance that you're going to have. Like if you're using it, like they're going to make a fee loaning you that money. Then they also make money when you trade because they're routing the order. But since they're offering you margin, they can route more orders, make more money on payment for order flow, and make more money loaning stuff. Like don't use like it's the margin is useless unless you're trading spreads. The only thing that people have brought up that says, oh, yeah, I kind of want a margin account is instant settlement, but that's just you being a little impatient. So just be patient. Wait the 4 days for the cash to settle, and then you can use it. Ho, what's up, Long? How you doing? How do you go in and out of calls on a cash account? You just buy them, and then you sell them. It's same thing. SPY coming down here. Oh boy. AMC 17 flat. Just opened up a fortune cookie and it said financial hardship in your life is coming to an end. Makes me feel bullish AF on AMC. Ooh, there you go. Let's see. Dang, that SPY red. Yeah. I didn't know you could get out until the next day. No, you can do it in a cash account. It's just buying and selling. Nvidia. Yeah, everything's going to start to drop here. If the SPY gets selly over here, that could get interesting. Nvidia cyber attack. Oh, hold on. That's a candle and a half on Nvidia over here. What's the news on it? Hold on. US microchip powerhouse Nvidia hit by cyber attack. Okay, so that might be anonymous. You know, remember anonymous was like gonna start like attacking people with like must have been like cyber attacks. Nvidia investigating possible cyber attack, Telegraph says. So watch Nvidia on the downside over. All right, hold on. Can I get anything for like dirt cheap on Nvidia right now? Shit. I don't think I can. Actually, I can get 2 of these. I can get 1 of these. I don't think I'm going to though. Like, what's this? 220. That sucks. I don't know why they'd sell off so hard on a cyber. I mean, this is like a little news play. It's not falling enough and the volume's not spiking enough to really be like if you look at it here, it's like low volume's kind of coming down, spikes up a little here, and then it spikes up a little here, but it's not like the opening candle that you see. So I'm not gonna do anything on Nvidia. AMC pop coming. It'd be nice, man. 1704. Let's see. Nvidia is being cyber attacked. Yeah, right now they are. I mean, that's honestly, it's probably anonymous. That would make sense. Let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, everybody, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. Helps get some more people in here. Pre-clear is a process if you or immediate family work at an institution. The institution has to pre-clear buys and sells. We're just curious if you ran into it before. It depends on what institution you work for. Yeah, here comes Nvidia on the way down. Parts of Nvidia's business are completely compromised. Whoa, those contracts went up big. Hold on. I'm going to buy one of these. YOLO. I mean, I just bought I spent $10. I spent $10. So let's see. Look at UVXY. It's starting to cook. Yeah, I have $12 of settled cash left, and I'm going to try to YOLO around some of these Nvidias for fun. Because I have $10 left. I have $12 left in my account. But if Nvidia is getting cyber attacked and their whole business is compromised, this thing could get nasty to the downside. Could it? Could it not? Most likely. And I'm probably going to lose on this, but it's $10. I'll be fine. That was like less than lunch. Are you still in LNT? No, I sold it. I sold it off a little while ago. Anonymous is after put. Yeah, I think it's anonymous. That's probably who it is. YOLO to 430 SPY put into close for $20. No way SPY doesn't dump at some point. Yeah, I figured it was too ubiquitous. I have 2 friends. It was ubiquitous. I have 2 friends on the ITCS side of Fidelity. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, let's see what happens with NVIDIA right here. I mean, I'm down 50 cents. Oh, no. When does Biden talk? I think 2. Unusual Whales tweeted that NVIDIA is getting cyber attacked. Yeah, I mean, it's coming through the news. It's not really doing anything right here. So I'm probably just going to ditch it because, because this is silly. I'll lose $2 if it fills me, which it doesn't look like it's going to. And then I'll lose $3 and then it will fill me. Uh-oh, I lost $3. Oh, no. Good thing I have Lockheed. I had Lockheed today. AMC push. Subi Cygnus is trying. 30 seconds a little too. Yeah, but they're usually late. IRNT ripping it. Dude, I completely forgot about IRNT too. That was like another 60-70% gain, I think, this morning. We crushed it today, people. We said, hey, market maker, give me your money. Held him at gunpoint. Give me your money. All right, let's see here. What do we got going on? Such a little paper hander. Dude, it was an NVIDIA 320 that expired today. It's not hitting. Spy's coming down. Okay, I swear to God, if that hits, okay, there's no way. There's no way, people. What was that this morning? What's this? 333? No chance. Zero chance. I wanted to play. You made $14. Damn it. Cyber tax won't bring down firms like NVIDIA. Don't burn your money on this news. I lost $3. All right, folks. Let's see what we got going on over here. Any idea why car is up 38% today? Buyout from Carvana, I think. I think that's what people were talking about earlier. You lost $114. Why would you do that? Why? Well, come on. What are you doing? I told you I spent $10. Relax. Please don't do that. 000 Delta Fox. Please don't. Please, yeah. Don't go YOLOing like that. If you buy options today, what time should you have sold them? That's very broad. I'm not sure. Amy 1710 gave my wife money. Oh, that's funny. What time did they do options close out? What do you mean? Like when the markets end? And I'm the liar. All right. Dude, I diamond hit those LMTs are like crazy numbers. I don't want to hear it today. I've never seen a president consistently late for press conferences with the nation. Yeah, exactly. I just don't know why they have to be late all the time. Like, just be on time. It's not that hard, right? Quick 30% on NVIDIA puts. Y'all scared me out. I mean, you're doing good here. Like, it's coming down. I just don't have enough money to play it. I'm just out of settled cash. That's just what it is. Let's see. Let's see. I thought Webull stopped letting you after 3. So what the hell did I buy? Oh, no. Webull stops letting you after 2. So I bought that before, too. 1710 on Amy over here. Spy trying to come back to life. Are you going to stream Biden? No. No. 117 or 1711 on Amy over here. Jimmy 11742. Speech starting now. Great. We'll get the news if he says anything crazy. I gave her an ultimatum, Salon or 1348. She said, what the fuck is 1348? Instead of telling her I gave up the money. All right, that's fair. That's fair. What's up with IMPP? Whoa, this petroleum company's just been moon mission over the last couple of days. Whoa. It's oil play. This thing's going crazy. Spy coming back up. He's only nominating the Supreme Court. Yeah, that's what I've heard too. That's what I've heard as well. Markets. Everybody says Biden on TV. Market's gonna crash. What happened yesterday? The market exploded. Relax. Cash takes long as hell to settle, but not worth having margin. It's like 4 days. You're up 45% on NVIDIA puts for next week. Good job. Is it coming down hard again? And why didn't you go for the daily, huh? Oh, because it was past 2? Oh, not anymore. I mean, that candle's coming. Oh, Amy pop. 1714. Little pop. We're down 54 cents on the day. Spy coming up as well here, too. Max Payne today, 17. Yeah, NVIDIA cyber attack. How much trading can you do in one day with $200? $200 worth of trading. It's Amy coming up. Thanks for liking your tweet. Anytime. Was that one of the 1348 ones? Took your advice on more expensive options for lesser volatility to the downside. Hung another spy dip and breaking even now. Good shit. Dude, I'm telling you. It allows, if you buy closer to the money, it allows you to hold it for a little longer. Alrighty, folks. We will let you sell SPY options after 2:30. Yeah, I think it's single leg, which is like just buying and buying puts or buying calls. I think it's like 348. Like I think you're good to go for a while. Guys, SCP doubles the account. He's $400 now. Yeah, exactly. No, wasn't he saying that I have $200 like total? Like total $200. That's what I have. Thought you needed 25K in your account to do day trading? You would be incorrect, my man. You can have as low as you want. You just have to trade with settled cash. You can sell but not buy same day expiration after 2 on nicely. On Webull, I can't buy things that expire that day after 2, which sucks. I hate that. A little bit of extra coin for at the money is definitely worth it. Yeah, especially if you're trading dailies. Like you don't need to go that far out. Can you sell options after hours on SPY? You can. 15 minutes after close. Russia popular euros grade of crude trading for $12 a barrel. Discount to dated Brent. Bro, isn't Brent at like 98? That's ridiculous. That is insanity over here. All right, people. Yeah, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Let me see if I got anything on Byron. Yeah, nomination of Judge Jackson. Amy back down. Let's see. Nvidia selling off again here. My Webull account is telling me that I have one more day trade till Monday. Well, that's because you're in a margin account. Let's see. 1707 on Nvidia coming down. There you go. Dan Landry printing. Guess Marge don't feel like picking up the phone today. That's oil barrel arbitrage. Dude, I would arbitrage the shit out of it. Just buy it in Russia and sell it over here. But then you'd have to pay for that's just too much work. Like, do you know how much work that would be to try to arbitrage oil? Like not futures, like actual oil barrels. Like that would suck. Because that's the only way to do it. Oh, Nvidia's selling off hard here. AQST looking good with FDA approval soon. AQS. I mean, maybe it might get approved. If it's already priced in that it's approved, which it looks like it is. I mean, look at this. It's just bottom nuclear. So that might get priced in over here. My best trade today has been Burke B. William, what are you trading Burke B for? Let's see. Seems like people need to watch Review Dork's video 134080 clear explains how to use a Webull account. Exactly. You guys gotta use you gotta learn the strategy first. This isn't like one of those silly discords where they just tell you what to do because you don't learn anything that way. Let's see here. Okay. You gave up stop losses because Hood doesn't understand a canceled stop loss and it sells. That's why I don't use an actual stop loss. I just use a mental stop. I just have okay, I just watch it. And I'm like, all right, it's coming down. Or the position's coming down. I'll sell it when it hits that. Your Radio Shack puts are printing. There you go. Burke B is an amazing stock. I bet it's amazing stock, but just bought 3 Burke A to the moon. You spent 700 grand. Is that what it's at right now? All right, folks. CEI across 1348. Oh, no. Is LMT ripping again? Motherfucker. No. No, I sold it back here. I sold it right here. I think it was this one. I think I sold it right here around 411. It's at 414. That kind of stinks, but Lockheed was the winner today. Still can't believe SPY 430 calls 225 expiration. We're selling yesterday for $19, currently worth over 600. Yeah, that's more insane than my Lockheed. Like way more insane. Mass Gang. What's up, Mass Gang? How you guys doing? When you guys are filtered in, though, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. We crushed it today. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, let's go, people. Let's have some fun going into close, huh? Huh? You gonna have some fun? You got calls this morning. What'd you do? Neo double bottom. I can't do anything, but I can look at it for you. Neo? No. Neo not looking great right here. You're 133% on Nvidia. There you go, buddy. That's pretty nice. That's not bad. There's another one. You're welcome. You made a killing on pork belly? That's weird. That's a weird thing to be trading. I didn't know there's a pork belly securities market. You're in the Gorgonzola gang. Who the hell's got Gorgonzola? Does anyone have a good long-term hold? It's all subjective, man. It's all subjective. So let's see what we got over here. 2:20 p.m. margin call time. I don't know. Smash that like button. Just bought another 1,000 shares of AMC. There you go. Hit that like button with your tongue. Please don't do that. You're gonna get a disease. All right, Amy coming down. 1693. SPY starting to sell here. Ruh-roh. Lucid down or Lucid up? Lucid down. When Moas? That's a silly question. That might win silly question of the day so far. All right. Amy selling here. SPY selling. Is Biden making comments? He might be. An air raid alert is happening in Kiev now. Biden needs Supreme Court to reflect the talents of our nation. All right, whatever. That's not really helping us. March 3rd. Funny. Whose side is anonymous on? Russia or Ukraine? Ukraine. So let's see here, folks. SPY coming down. Okay, this is just silly to have SPY up here like this. So we're gonna go like this right here. 118% on Nvidia. Dan Landry, at a freaking boy. There we go. How far up will Amy go for earnings? Guys, you're just asking the silly questions now. I have no idea. Nobody knows. What if I told you 100? Okay, 100. How about my answer for that question? How high will AMC go for? How about 100? March 3rd, MOAS confirmed by VIX. Oh, yeah, definitely. What are your top 3 stocks to trade options on consistently? SPY. DraftKings is good. You don't know pork belly trading game? Watch the movie trade. Nah, I don't know. I literally don't. I have no idea. Remember, I'm like 22 years old. 140% and running on NVIDIA. All right, people. I guess you guys are printing out the news play. There you go. Am I the only person who has no idea what a Discord is? You should figure it. You should, Justin. You should figure it out and get in there and learn the strategy. At least bare minimum, learn the strategy. AMC brackets, dude. All right. You guys are asking all the silly questions today. Remember, we have a no nonsense policy today. If I sense real nonsense, I will snap at you. We're all about to be printing on ankles. Well, we need to get to 20. That's what we need to get to for ankles. So let's see here. All right, folks. Yeah, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. So thank you guys so much for all the support today. I'm really happy that all you guys made boatloads of cash. Discord's not that complicated. You just join. There's different channels, and you talk in them, and then you get alerts, and you make money. It's like really easy. Do you think Trey sold his stocks? Okay, you guys are really asking stupid questions today. Oh my god, you guys are like, all right, what is the stupidest thing that I can ask? And then you ask it. Max paid is 17. Yeah. All right, people, here we go. SPY popping back up. Amy 1694. Let's see. You ignored the rules today. It didn't work out well. That's why we have the rules. You guys are just Discord's like a chat room. Yeah. What price is AMC in the metaverse? See, that one's not that bad. Can you trade for me? All right, now the stupid questions are coming in now because I can't tell if like they're real stupid or like just like you guys being silly. Rules are made to be broken, not on 1348. If you want to lose money, you'll break the rules. When minimum paid for the SPY today? I don't think so. I'm Discord. I have questions. You are not Discord. Let's see. What are the rules on 1348? If you are late to the cross, you don't do it. I mean, or you could just go a little bit smaller and just be like, yeah, this is silly. I probably shouldn't be doing this right now. Who's Max and why is he in pain? Max paid. Can you describe the OTC market to a smooth brain? Yes. So the OTC market are stocks that are not listed on the major exchanges. NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, IEX. There's probably more. So then they just trade over the counter. So you're just trading back and forth between parties. Very, very easily to manipulate. 1348 is solid. Yes, I joined this week. There you go. Wait. Oh, you're saying you're in the Discord. You have questions about what? Just send your questions in the Discord. People will answer it for you. Or if I'm in there, I can answer it for you. Who would win in a celebrity boxing match, Lou or TMI? I don't know. I think TMI's got it. I don't know though. It's $69 at the first of the month. Would it be smart to join in early March and get the month discount? I mean, you could do that too. I mean, you get the free week this week too. You got a couple of days left, or you can wait until after March 1st, and then join then, and you technically get the whole month free if you want to. So we could do that too if you want to. Russia destroyed a Ukraine thermal plant. Dude, they're just doing weird stuff. They're like, I'm gonna go to Chernobyl, and it's like, why? Let's see. Alrighty, folks. What do we got going on here? Anything crazy going on? I don't see anything completely wild, but there are some wild things going on today. Yeah, thermal power plant. Unusual Whales just tweeted that out. China says Ukraine's territory sovereignty should be respected. We got that a little bit earlier. I know we have positive EBITDA, but I was reading EBITDA is good, but a little misleading. It doesn't. I think it doesn't account for. It's like another way. It's like a simplified way of reading profit. It doesn't account for everything, but it's a good metric to use. I don't think it's GAAP. Is we have any accountants there? Is EBITDA like part of GAAP? Chernobyl is vacant real estate. Yeah, exactly. I just don't understand. Have a buttload of uranium. I mean, okay, fair. I don't know. See, I don't know. I just think it was weird. All right. AMC 1694 over here. SPY just kind of flickering around, not doing a whole lot going into close right now. So we've got about an hour and 45 minutes left in the market. Bro, you go all out today on the way to work. I cut through a farmer's field to avoid a bad accident on my route. Why did I go all out today? Did I go out at all today? No, I don't really go out ever. I stay and hang out on the internet with you guys. Aren't you in school for finance? Go to class more? Hell no. No, that's never going to happen. Sorry. Like, it makes zero sense. Yeah, Gabe DL, they actually did say that. Thanks for the info. Change my account from margin to cash account on Webull. Can't wait to be printing with all you guys next week. Mark, can't wait to see you in the Discord, buddy. What Twitter news feeds do you follow? Fast Stock News is a really good one. And Walter Bloomberg. Those are the two that I really like the best. Well, no, yeah, that's what EBITDA is. All right, let's see. 1694 on Amy, not really moving. Market, very, very calm right now. So we saw all those big moves in the morning, and then nothing really happened. Where's Lockheed? Is it above 314? No, but somebody was calling out 310 or 410 on Lockheed today, and I was like, all right, that would be pretty cool if it got there. And then it went to freaking 413, and I was like, all right, this is insane. School is for losers. I don't do it. You have class today? You should go to class. No, I'm not going to class. Why is the volume so low? What's it at right now? Yeah, 27 million. I mean, that's not that low. Like, we've seen 20 million days on AMC. It's already at 27 million. Unusual Whales Twitter is crushing Ukraine news. Yeah, he is. Let's see here. Once you realize how much money can easily be made in the market, really makes you not want to work or go to school. Yeah, exactly. You still got the LMT calls? Nah. Do other students at UConn know about you and your channel? And also, is there any apes at UConn with you? I mean, the people that I know what I do. But, I mean, not everybody's just like, oh, there's the YouTube kid. Like, that's not how it works. I'm not ankle 20? No. How much is a Lambo in Russia right now? I mean, probably very, very cheap. Wasn't there a movie about this? Isn't it called like War Dogs or something where they like go to some country and then just buy everything for like no. There's like a documentary about this where they go to Russia and they buy like helicopters for like dirt cheap. Like for some reason, I think it was Russia. Now, have you guys seen this? Where like there's a bunch of like helicopters or something that they just go and buy. And they're like the most cheap. Like they're like, all right, well, we'll just take all of them. And it's like, how are you going to transport them? It's like, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Is it War Dogs? I don't think it's War Dogs because that was like, it's a crazy documentary. Yeah, exactly. I'm pretty sure it's a documentary. It's not War Dogs, but they go to Russia. These dudes go to Russia and they're like arms dealers kind of. And they like just Lord of War. Is that what it is? I don't think it's I don't know if it's War Dogs, but there's definitely a thing where I remember people going to Russia and buying helicopters for, like, dirt cheap. Like, let's say the helicopters cost, like, 10,000,000, they were getting them for, like, 100 grand. It was that insane, and they worked. It was, like, the craziest thing. Lord of War, is that what it is? Is there a movie about it? I don't know. Maybe it's a movie. I don't know. I don't remember. It was for drug smuggling. That's what it was. Yeah, it has to do with, like, drug smuggling. I remember that. No, 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 it's not a movie. Yeah, it's a real story. Operation Odessa. That's what it is. Thank you. I appreciate that. See, I'm an idiot sometimes. I can't think of things, but you guys got me. You need a helicopter? Yeah, you need a Black Hawk, dude? That's you're just gonna send it over there, just be like, "Hey, I'll take 1 Black Hawk, please." Be like, "All right." What are you gonna do with it? She's like, "I don't know." "Can you fly it anywhere?" "No." Like, "All right, what are you gonna do with it?" "I'll just look at it." Like, it'd just be silly. All right. Odessa's in Oh, it's in Ukraine? Oh, interesting. It all comes full circle. All right, spy coming up here a little bit. Baba Cross? Yeah, Operation Odessa, that was the one. Yeah, forgot about that. They were just running it up by helicopters in Russia. Is AMC gonna Justin, are you trying to ask silly questions or are you just joking? Yeah, it's Operation Odessa. That's the one it is. Where can I get a Blackhawk? You just gotta know people, I guess, man. I don't know people. I don't have a Blackhawk. Give me 30 of those yeah, like this is crazy. Let's see here. Yeah, guys, as you're filtered into, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Get some more people in here going into close. Hopefully, this is gonna be a fun little close here that we get going on. Okay. Let's see, folks. Rally into close. Hopefully, man, it'd be pretty fun. I mean, Spy's trying to come up a little bit here. Red Dawn is playing at AMC. Why are they playing that movie at AMC right now? Why are they doing? No way. No way they're actually doing that. That would not be the best look if they are actually doing that. Let's see. So Amy 1701 got back above 17 over here. Ooh, a little pop on Jimmy 117.22. Yeah, okay. Look at this cross on Baba. It's like a nothing burger cross. Like it's not like it's just kind of like kind of crossed, but nothing really too crazy. Lucid forming a W on the 15-minute. All right, we'll pull up Lucid a little bit. I mean, we just stole money today, man. Wolverines. Wolverines. The Red Dawn original is great. The Red Dawn original is really good. All righty here, folks. What do we got going on? Dun, 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 dun. All right, what do we got? Anything crazy going on? Red Dawn. Yeah, dude, Red Dawn was good. AMC should play The Big Short. They should do that. My wife talks about her boyfriend's BlackRock all the time. His name is Tyra. Nice guy. Interesting. You guys got to figure that out. Your wife's got boyfriends. You got to figure that stuff out, people. Can't have that. You cannot have that. Ask us more questions. I could ask you more questions, but like that one was interesting about like like imagine if you just went over and they were like, we got these helicopters here. And you're like, all right, cool. You're like, how much do those run? And they're like, well, usually they're like 10 million. And it's like, we sell them in blocks of 100. So, but for you special person right here, we'll sell you one of them for 100 grand. Like, imagine how wild that would be. I would just be like, how? Okay. Like, all right. I kind of want one now. Like that you're giving me this deal. Let's see. 16.99 with Max Payne at 17. These market makers are a joke. It's 17.02 right now. Yeah, War Dogs was the warehouse of ammo. And it's like it's like all like it like has like Chinese marking on it, I think, and that's how they get into trouble in War Dogs. Oh, Spy pop here. There we go. The 437.05, 437.10. Spy's getting up here a little bit. Here we go, folks. Here we go, folks. Come on. Let's get a rally into close, huh? We got about an hour and 36 minutes left. Let's have some fun. Spy can run massive from here. I mean, that'd be pretty cool. Beg to differ. You don't want a helicopter? The Human Centipede. All right, stop. We're not talking about that movie. That movie, off limits for the chat. We're not talking about that movie. IWM is up 2%. Why is Amy down 4%? I mean, they have a boatload of shares that you can use to short it, and Amy's up 12% yesterday. It's having a little reversion day today. That's what it's looking like. Walking through the grocery store, STV walked by a mother with a young child, smiled and said hello. Child, mommy, is that my dad? The mom, I wish what? From dude, you guys are making me laugh so much this afternoon from under these nuts coming in hot. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Vic, just pick about any stock in your portfolio and check it on maxpain.com and look where it's trading. Shocking. Yeah, I know. They're all at Max Pain. Thank you so much for that super. And thank you to all of you guys that send those in. You guys don't have to do that if you guys don't want to. I feel like everybody kind of knows that by now, but thank you guys so much for those of you that do. It really helps out a whole lot. Thank you. Nvidia hit by a cyber attack. Yeah. Oh yeah. How are those Nvidia puts doing? Are you guys still crushing it on those? Did it fall below the 200? No, rallied. The play was actually Nvidia calls at the what the heck? What the heck? What the heck? All right, let's see. Nvidia rallied, bought calls. Let's see. BRCC cross. All right, SPY moving up. Nancy came in for the save. How is pinning not stock manipulation? Well, it's supposed to be like natural price movement with like how things move. Renee, thank you so much for the super. How do we know when premiums are too high? Educate the apes better. You can just kind of tell. You can just kind of look at it and be like, all right, well, if the stock's trading at 10, the at the money call should not be $200. Like, you're like, all right, that should be more like 20 cents. All right, let's see here. Yeah, also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys check that, hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out. NATO activated. Did they hit a NATO country? Ukraine Zelensky had another very productive call with Biden. I don't know how productive those calls actually are. I mean, let's see. Let's see here. All right. Ho! Thomas, thank you so much for becoming a member. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, shout out to all the members of the channel. You guys are awesome. If you guys do want to help out and support the channel, that's what that's for. You guys don't have to do that if you don't want to, but thank you to all the members. You guys are pretty cool. We have some pretty cool like emojis. We got a bull, we got ankles, we got a squirrel. Let's see. AMC short interest on Ortex. Yeah, it was 20 point something. SPY trying here. No, it wasn't Biden. It was Ukraine and Russia. AMD may rip. 2.91%. Could get up here a little bit. Let's see here. All right. We got SPY trying to make a little bit of a move here, but nothing too crazy going on. Alrighty, folks. Been sick today. Freddie, I hope you feel better, buddy. All right, AMD looking all right. SPY looks like it could get a little jumpy over here. AMC 1703. Let's see here. Ho, Mark, thanks for becoming a member, my man. I appreciate that. Woo! Shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome. Roblox crossing. Yeah, see, Roblox does like to flicker around and do some weird stuff. Let's see what it does. Roblox. It's crossing here a little bit, but it's not a nice cross. Like, I wouldn't take this cross. Yeah, Max Payne is 17. You bought your first SPY put. Wish me luck. Expiration Wednesday. Hold until Monday in case anyone does anything stupid over the weekend. Have something turning green. That's fair. You got to be very, very careful with holding over the weekend, though. Oh, Mark says, woo. Mark, thank you for becoming a member, man. I appreciate that, buddy. Let's see. So 51348 close to touching. Let's see. You joined Monday. There you go. Thank you. SPY break that 437 and catapult into 440. It's already up above 437. On the 5 minute. Bum. Overnight. Yeah, I'm not holding really anything overnight. Like, every single thing I've really held overnight has blown up in my face. Most of the time it's been like oil and natural gas, though. So excited for Tuesday. Doesn't T2 settle through from today or something? Yeah, and I think Tuesday's earnings, isn't it? AMC and CBX balance each other out quite well. Wait, what? Yeah, Home Depot was ripping. How's Home Depot doing now? Oh man, did Home Depot get any news? Uh, dividend will be increased to 199 hours ago. But this 1348 cross here, you get it around 311, 316, $5 move. Bing bong. Hi. What's up, Thomas? How you doing? Flat the last few calls on X, 223%. There you go. Or yeah, HG had earnings recently. Lowe's had earnings recently too. Spy doing its thing over here. I like that. Are you playing AMC earnings? No, because then I'd have to buy puts on it. Why would I do that? Also, guys, make sure you guys are engaging with the stream, hitting that like button on your way in just helps out a whole lot over here. Let's see what we got going into close. Let's see. Okay. So, hopefully everybody's having a good afternoon. We're having some fun over here. Microvision up 10%. Messing with my head. Well, what's it doing? Is it just completely dead? Those will expire worthless. That's fine though. What do you think about puts on T for next week? I don't think. I just look and I'm like, all right, day trade. I'm not holding anything overnight now, too. Spy getting a little pop here. Where's AMD? AMD getting a cross. All right, so AMD looks all right. No cross though. What about Micron? Nope, nothing on Micron. DraftKings about to go green. 200% on the Lockheed calls from yesterday. How the hell are you only up 200%? I was up 600% on the calls that I bought today. Boom on AMD. Is it going? Not really. It came right back down. If you're so smart, what is AMC's real price? Wow, everybody's just asking the dumbest questions today. It's 1701. Let's see. Is the title of this video advising us to hold our calls till the end of the day? No. You got to do what you got to do. Etsy had earnings. Etsy trying to come up here a little bit. I love all my ape family expect big moves after hours. That'd be pretty sweet, man, if we got some big moves. All righty. Article 5 of NATO could be invoked against a cyber attack. Could they? Interesting. When March 3rd. All right, guys. Chill out. You're hyping your expectations up there. What's a better candy bar, Snickers or Milky Way? Snickers. The Lonius. Thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Thoughts on GME HBO doc on March 3rd? I'll watch it, probably. I mean, I would watch that. Might as well. I haven't seen anything on that, though, but that's pretty interesting. Lucid flickering down, puts about a print. Ooh, are they now? Are they? I think it's just gonna kind of stay flat here. I mean, if the market sells off, Lucid will come down with it. Ortex short interest dropped to 11.5%. I know you're just trying to get me to look at it, but no, it shouldn't have. No, 21.2. If we hit 22, VIX has to show us his elbows. 25 shows us his kneecaps. Wall Street is the block. No, I don't have to do that, bro. I don't have to do any of that. Amy meets Max Payne, but DraftKings doesn't care. I just, dude, DraftKings and AMD aren't like linked. Great stream today. Thanks, Rick. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, guys. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps us a whole lot getting this info out to some more people. Let's see. Tesla cross up. Did it now. Tesla. Not a good one, though. This isn't like, these aren't like good crosses. It's like, yeah, these aren't good. Working our way up. What's after kneecaps? We're not doing any of that. None of that. We will have none of that in here. 1698 on AMC over here. Last time Lucid came down to this range, it ripped up. I mean, I was up 200% on Lucid today. It was pretty nice. Had a great time with it. Made it free around like 120%. Sold the last couple at 200%. Bing bong. My account is a lot higher than it was before. All right. Spy flickering down. How do you tell if they're good? I struggle with that. Well, you just kind of got to look at what the market's doing. Like if it's just hovering here, like you want to see it like do this and then just curl up. You want the momentum to just be like up, but it's not. This is just like, and then it dies. Like this one right here is not doing anything. It hasn't even crossed yet. And it's just like coming close and then getting right back down. Let's see. Ride to the moon? Hopefully, man. I mean, I'd love to go to the moon. Time in the market beats timing the market. True. Happy to become a member. Just wish you wouldn't leave us with the hey, Mark. Mark, don't be mean. Don't be mean. Don't be. Whoa. Wes Hogan, dude. Thank you so much for that big super, man. I appreciate that. Another 5K trading the SPY today, brother. Thanks for the lessons, Mr. Vix. Dude, congratulations. Thank you so much for that big super. Guys, I am so happy that all of you guys are printing with 1348, and especially today with like what we've done with Lockheed and in all of those other plays that we had, Uber, Micron, Lucid. Like we were crushing it today. Wes, I am super happy that you made a bunch of money today, man. Thank you so much for that super too. I appreciate that. Let's see. Amy, flat at 17 over here. Okay. So Tesla moving up a little bit here. SPY trying to bounce back to life. Are the videos you talk about only watching only part of joining the Discord program? No, they're out there for free. The whole strategy's out there for free. What the Discord does is it makes you basically put your trading and your view of the market on literal steroids and crack, which in a good way. Greetings, STV. What's up, buddy? I wish you a wonderful time today. Greetings from Germany. Smash the like button for the smartest kid in town. XDeathCR. I appreciate that, buddy. What's this 1348 thing I keep hearing about? Can you summarize it? It's just exponential moving averages, and it's the most profitable EMA crossover. So check out the Discord in the top over there. No, it's on Gabe Review Dork's channel. So make sure you check out the link to the Discord that's in the top of the chat or the first link in the description. 3K on 1348 this week. Thanks, Vix. God is light. There you go, buddy. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in too. Helps out a whole lot with getting some more people in here with the algorithm. I know you guys are printing. If you guys have been really, really crushing it today with or even over the last couple of weeks, make sure you guys engage with content. Help get this out to some more people so everybody can start making money. Let's see. AMC down and pinned at max pain every week while SPY rips shows the stranglehold our enemies have. SPY's not really doing a whole lot this week, though. Not literal steroids and crack. Right. Not, you don't have to do steroids and crack, but like, I mean, to each his own, right? Let's see. Amy bouncing up to this 200 over here. I went to Bank of America to deposit a check. They asked me for ID. I said, "Are you telling me other people are trying to put money into my account and you're telling them no?" That is funny. My wife is wondering if you got an OnlyFans. It's in the Discord. I'm kidding. Let's see. Over 5K plus this week using 1348. Thank you. Sunil, dude. There you go, man. There you guys go. 1348. No more hoping and guessing. Exactly. I thought it was coconut hookers. I guess it's everything now. Let's see. If the market makers figure out 1348, do we change it to 1449? No, because it's the same thing. It's just like it would just be moved a little bit. Let's see here. AMC 1703 right now. AMC exchange reported trade interest update. It is the exchange reported came out at 20.03. What was GME's? What was GameStop's? Let's take a look. GameStop. Come on. 19.01, up from 1759. That's pretty big. Here's STV's OnlyFans in my Twitter. What's up, Vegas? How you doing, buddy? Calls and puts not tradable in the UK. Cash shares for 1348. Yeah, we are adding every single stock in the Russell 2000 onto the alert system for the daily time frame, so you can swing trade shares if you need to. About to play the 1348 in the pick 4 this changed my life. Ty, there you go, buddy. There we go. All right, Amy popping up here, 1705. SPY's not really doing a whole lot right here, and Amy's getting a little action. GME 117.20 really stayed pretty flat over the last time we've been live. For options is a game changer for anyone in UK. Yeah. Do I have a video on? No, guys. So make sure just hop in. Even if you don't want to join the premium, just hop into the free Discord. You get access to. I mean, it lists out the videos for you, just easy. So you can just click on them and just watch the videos. But If you want all the alerts and all the private live streams, if you do want access to the Sunday night and Monday night live stream this week, you are going to have to join premium. But again, if you don't want to be part of the Discord after you see all the alerts and see how successful it is, then you can just cancel it on March 1st if that's what you want to do. But definitely give it a try. Let's see here. Looks like LMT at a threshold. Yeah, I don't have any more. I sold that last one off at 600%. Yeah. Whoa, Lockheed coming down now. Oh boy. Good thing I got out of those a little while ago. That's so many alerts. On the daily time frame, it won't be. Market fell asleep on us. It kind of did. It like sort of did. So Amy's popping up here a little bit. 1708, looking all right. Can the 1348 be used just to buy shares? Yes, absolutely it can. Absolutely, 1348 can be used to buy shares. Let's see here. Platform in the UK for options. I think Interactive Brokers and maybe Tastyworks, somebody was saying. Daily time frame alert is like once a week. Yeah. Just sold my 2 free Amy $16 calls. It should run now. There you go. Alrighty, folks. So AMC popping up here a little bit. 1710, not doing too bad over here. Do you have lucid puts? No, I've got nothing right now. I got nothing. I'm using 1348 to just buy shares and I'm successful. There you go, crap face. UK people, Interactive Brokers. There you go. It's the weekend. There's war going on. Fridays won't be too eventful. I mean, it could be, man. Oh, Amy, getting a little candle over here. Here we go. Come on, Amy. Come on, Amy. Here we go. All right, people. SPY moving up a little bit here. Amy's getting a little bit of action. Come on now. Come on now. Putin has been sanctioned by the US and EU. Like, did they do it? U.S. Department of State daily press briefing, February 25th at 2:30 p.m. They already did it. Sorry. Spokesperson Ned Price leads the department press briefing. Interesting. Amy, 1711 over here. Come on, people. Ford has been running since the crossover. There you go. My new HomePod was just delivered. I don't know what a HomePod is, but that sounds interesting. 1709 looking decent over here. Zillow crossed up and running. Yeah, Zillow crossed right here, and it's running a little bit, and it is above this previous high level that we've seen. So Zillow could break out here a little bit. I mean, it is Friday. There's not a lot of time until close. Could get really volatile on Zillow, so be careful if you want to do it. I'm not touching anything, but this is a 1348 cross. If the SPY starts to run up a little bit and Zillow wants to get a little action on this, it could run, but be very, very careful, especially if you made a bunch of money today. You might want to just kind of chill. It's a Bluetooth speaker. Oh, interesting. Ethan, I just realized I have class during my AMC investor showing of Batman. Guess you're not the only one class skipper in here. Yeah, everybody skip class all the time. If you're doing something more important, just skip it. HomePod is an Apple smart speaker. Interesting. I didn't know that. All right, folks. Let's see what we got going on here. Amy, we got about an hour and 15 minutes left until close. Let's see what we get. I mean, are we going to have some fun? I think we're going to U.S. to sanction Putin. Person familiar with the matter. Oh, baby. Here it comes. SPY could go nutty or not. I mean, SPY could just do nothing. It's very possible that SPY does nothing on this. All right, what do we got going on over here? All right, folks. Amy, 1708 over here. SPY moving down a little bit. Let's see what happens once this news gets disseminated with the sanctions and see really what happens with the SPY. If it comes down, that's going to be weird, but I think the SPY could come up off of that. How do I feel about the 1 minute 38? I don't like that. Trying to join your Discord. It's saying my email is already in use, but don't allow me the option to change it. Andrew, you might want to just create a new Discord account. Some people were having that issue. I'm not sure how to exactly fix it, but try to create a new Discord account. Let's see. Yeah, and then everybody else that wants those premium alerts and access to all like the private live streams with me, Gabe, and TMI 6 to 8 times a month, most likely 8 times a month. Make sure you get that. Check out the Discord in the top over there. Top of the TLT coming up. Uh-oh. Should have bought Sonos. Sonos is a better product than a HomePod. I mean, Sonos are pretty cool. SPY got too many red candles. Not really. I mean, the 5-minute MACD needs across. I mean, from here, the MACD's just been like all the way down. So Zillow not really doing a whole lot over here. Amy's holding flat at 1709. Let's see what happens over here. Still trying to sell my Spider-Man NFT. Got a rare one, so it's not selling at all. SCV talks fast and skips class. Yes. Also, guys, what was I going to say? All right, let's see. She told you it was going to run? Who told me it was going to run? I should wear a Batman mask all day Thursday? Maybe. Or I'll just come with like, never mind. Let's see. He took Locon. What was going to run? Alrighty, folks. What do we got going on over here? Slap the ask, hopefully. Skip class, talk fast, eat Chipotle. Yes, exactly. I haven't eaten Chipotle. Maybe I'll get Chipotle tonight. I don't know. Think implied volatility on Amy is going to get even crazier Monday going into earnings. Yes, I think it is. Oh, did we buffer a little bit there? That's kind of annoying. Let's see, guys. Yeah. Also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys engage with the stream. Hit that like button on the video. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. If you guys have been making big plays with 1348 in the chat, make sure you guys help me out a little bit. Hit that like button. Helps out a whole lot. Let's see. You should stream from your econ class. Could be fun. I don't have an econ class. Let's see here, people. So, all righty. What do we got? Think fast, skip class, eat Chipotle, pass some gas. All right. Any anonymous just tweeted Russian government websites are down. Wow, that might have been in the Nvidia hack. That was probably the Nvidia hack. Poland sending trucks of ammo to Ukraine. Oh boy. Oh boy. What's Spy doing on this? Nothing really. Amy trying to bounce here a little bit. Here it comes. 1712. Looking all right over here. You hate Chipotle? I hate you, Anna. You're not allowed to hate Chipotle. That's like the one rule of the chat. We have like no rules really, but like that's the one rule that it's like you can't hate Chipotle. 1713 on Amy. Let's see if we can break this 48 EMA. That would be pretty sweet. Oh God, away today. That was reckless. Spy 50-50. Spy not doing anything. I got no cash left. Crushed it today. Hopefully you didn't get burned on DraftKings this morning with your puts. Little bit, but it didn't matter because I hit so many other nasty trades. You kind of want UVXY calls. Chipotle is like a laxative. Yeah. Oh, you can't spam. That's another one. I gave it a few tries. I can't eat it. Anna, I don't think this is going to work out. Maybe Hedgie's computer and algos got messed up. That's why nothing is happening. Nah, I mean, it's just flickering, not really doing a whole lot going. I mean, we're about to be in power hour too. You make up new rules every day. Yeah, I do make up new rules every day because you know why? It's a dictatorship around here. And I can just ban people when I want. I have so much power at my fingertips. Just kidding. No, I don't. No nonsense. That's Moe's is better than Chipotle. My way. You're getting timed out for that. That was the most bullshit thing I've ever heard. That's you auto timeout. You cannot. We don't. Sorry. There is no way that you can logically say that Moe's is better than Chipotle. Okay, Putin. All right. Let's see. Guys, I want to change how war is conducted. Let's put these leaders in a cage match with a spork and a waffle bat. Winner takes all. Interesting. Neo, Palantir, and AMC, same company today? Yeah, pretty much. Is the Discord the Mass Short Dork? Yes, that's me, Gabe, and the Mass Investor. It's all three of us in there. Maybe a close of 18. Oh, Amy getting a little candle over here. Little baby candle to the upside. 17-16, trying to come back up. Let's see. If we can get this closing candle above the 48 EMA, we could go on a little bit of a run until close, which would be pretty sweet. Zillow's coming up a little bit here. GME's not moving a whole lot. It's one rule, and then it's no rules. Well, but then the other rule is that I create rules when I want to create rules. Straddling Lucid, just grab my options. Strangle, TLT. What's dealing out with TLT? TLT's been like really annoying. TLT's coming up here a little bit, so watch out below on the SPY. But again, it hasn't really done a whole lot. Tell Amy you want a baby? No, it's not happening. Not happening. Am I the only one that wants to know about that $50 to $181,000 trade? Dude, it was Dogecoin, I think. I think he did it with Dogecoin. That's like insanity. Amy coming. Amy coming up here. Come on, Amy. I'm a member, super impressed. Have screwed up a few trades, but that's on me. Can you walk us through good or a bad cross? Yeah. Well, I mean, it depends. Like this one on Tesla right now sucks. Like it's barely going. Like there's no momentum on this. Like a good one would have been this one this morning, LMT. This one, crazy. Look at this. Boom. Just separate, 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 separate. The distance between the 13 and the 48 just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger until you get to like year. And then it starts to close in. CSV, I told you I moved to run when I sold my $16 pit. True, man. You did. 17-17 on Amy over here. Oh, closing candle above the 48 EMA. Let's see if she wants to get spicy going into close. Does she? Does she want to get a little spicy? Does she? I don't know. People, also, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot. Nothing too much is happening. Whoa, GME little pop. Amy, come on now. Sacrifice me? All right, Mark. You've been sacrificed. Simply Smith? What the hell? How the hell did you do that? Yeah, Lockheed. I mean, that was the nastiest trade of the day today. So congratulations to anybody. All right. Who in here hit Lockheed? I want to know. Like a crazy Lockheed Martin trade. Who did it? Let's see. Just in at lunch hour. Have you looked at Verizon? No, but it has been on a moon mission all day. Yeah, it's pretty good. Would I play the 1348 on AMC going up on the 4 hour if it crosses above the 200 EMA? Chris hit it. John hit it for 630. There you go. You bought the stock, then got out. Lynn got 300%. Oh, you got IMPP though. There you go. Chris Frazier, 6x. There you go. All right, folks. 1715 on Amy. You have 200 LMT position? Whoa. Not my only 200%. Only my 200%, not like your 600. That's still really good. Homeowner paid 20 grand and the contract was meant to be for 15K. Oh, yeah. You hit LMT like it owed you money. Ooh, Mike G. There you go. Nazar got 95%. Woo! Printing over there. Spy crossing down. No, it's just coming down to the 48. Root quietly ripping all day. Yeah. All right, folks. Spy down. NATO response force activated for the first time ever. Yeah, see, that's crazy. Yeah, I saw that just now. CNN. Oh boy, that's not ideal. You got 30% on this. On there you go. I mean, that's not bad. 1000% on the spy today, says Ty Malone. Boom. Good job. Let's see. Eric, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. How is that market makers can obviously pin the price at max pain so they collect the most amount of premium and it's not considered manipulation? Well, it's a theory. I don't know. It's bullshit. Like, I don't know how else to explain it. It's bullshit that we finished around max pain. It's like complete nonsense. I don't know what we can do about it though. Unless there were no options in the market. Like, that's why when you see like crypto starting to get an options chain, I'm like, yeah, I don't like it because they're going to start pinning stuff. Iron Man just joined NATO. Interesting. You sound like Jim Carrey. Yeah, honestly, like, it's bullshit. Like, I don't know how, like, it is manipulation. Sometimes there's a legal manipulation, and then there's like, when the stock gets brought down by aggressive shorting when it should be, and it's not like really manipulation, but the amount of shorting is causing the price to go down. Let's see. Alrighty. I'm going to run to the bathroom for like 2 seconds. I will be right back, though, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just give me like 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Alrighty, folks. Here we go. He lies to us every time. Don't forget to wash my hands. I did wash my hands. My hands are like damp right now. All right, Amy, 17-18 here. Not doing too bad. Verizon come down a little. Ooh, Spy getting a candle. They're trying to. Squirrel was talking about that weekly 50 SMA at 435.50 that they're fighting over. So AMC right now, 17-19. Not doing too bad. Gotta check in with his parole officer. Yeah, at least he muted his mic this time. I always mute the mic. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Verizon bouncing off the 48 over here. Spy coming up a little bit. Okay, that's weird. Haha, talk about a worthless channel. This is for people that just don't like to be alone and just want to listen to cops jibber jabber. Great job finding a revenue stream though, Vix. Oh, hey guys, let's show Daniel. What percentage are you guys up, or how much money have you made with 1348 today? Daniel, you may not have been around for earlier, but everybody was hitting 600% plays, 100% plays, 200% plays. I think the only worthless one here is you. So here we go. Go for it. How'd you guys do? How'd you do? There you go. Run it up. There you go. 5,000 this week. There you go. 6K on Spy. 120. Oh, 470%. Ooh. There you go. So $37,000. Oh, no, $37. I was like, what the hell? 108 grand, but a YOLO. 630%. Where's Mike G? Daniel, I literally made 200% on LMT. Exactly. All right, Daniel, join the Discord, buddy. It seems like you need a little bit of extra money. So you should probably learn the strategy that we're all making. I literally have no settled cash today because I've used all of it and I'm up 60% on my entire account today. There you go. 250% on LMT, $855 today, 600%, $800 this week, $1,250 on 3 trades. There you go. Daniel is mad because 10K in the last 2 weeks. Boom. There we go. All right. So Amy liked it. 1721, 1722. Amy's coming up a little bit here. 19,000 on Spy calls from yesterday, says Scuba Steve. There you go. So, all right. Cool. 1348 about to cross on Amy and UVXY. I mean, Amy looks like it wants to do it over here. $4,300 this week, says Sue Ray. Woo! There you go. $1,000 in 2 weeks. There you go. Max Payne is just the price for the most amount of options. Calls and puts expire out of the money, benefiting options sellers. And this is why he just come on in and join the team. Exactly. We'd love to have you. Let's see. $1,300 this week while working 50 hours. Boom. There you go. There you go. How's everyone making money? Glad you asked. 1348. Very, very simple. Russia and its billionaires may use Bitcoin and crypto to get around sanctions as per New York Times. Yeah, they could. Daniel, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Gonna average down till banks shut me down. Lol, BBIG. Oh, it's big ripping. Yeah, Spy's getting a little pop here. I mean, BBIG struggling. AMC 1723, down about 2.6%. We got about 47 cents left to go until we're green. Hopefully we can get up there. That would be pretty sweet. I like SB's company while I work. Thank you. Appreciate that. What is 1348? Join the Discord. There's a free, you can join it for free, watch all the videos and learn all about it. It's going to take me too long to explain right now. But again, very, very powerful and everybody should learn it. And you technically also got the free week. How do you time the puts and calls? 1348. You only made $600 in 2 days. Damn, slacking. Spy's making moves here. It's trying. It's not really doing all that well, though. 1723 on Amy over here. I've been using it to trade commodities and futures, but I paper hand too often. In theory, it works. Yeah, exactly. Dare I say SPY to make a downward move like it did this week? And it might. It might. Let's see here. Uh, uh, uh. Well, it's not a free week anymore. It was if you guys joined a little bit earlier. Now you're gonna have to wait until after March 1st if you want any sort of free trial. But again, if you do want access to the live streams this weekend where we talk about everything that we're working or everything that we're looking for going into the next week and after Monday, what happened and what we like really see going forward. And we're also gonna have premium members coming up with us on the stream and we're gonna going over like trades and stuff to like ask questions and make sure people understand what's going on and to help people. Back to Putin's on SPY. There you go, Dan. Wife left you 1348. da, 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 da. 18. What's 18? Alrighty, folks. Power hour. Ho ho. It is 3 p.m. over here. 17:33 on Amy. Coming up a little bit here. Let's see if we can get a little bit of action going into close. We are about to get that little 1348 crossover here. It's not the worst in the world, but again, we're going to need to see some big boom boom candles to really confirm that 1348. Here we go, people. I only work maybe 20 hours per week, but make lots of money. So my family over here think I'm hustling. There you go, simply. What's the best platform to try 1340 on your phone? Probably Webull. I like Webull for options trading. No girlfriend? No problem. 1348. All right. You guys are wild. Let's see. SPY coming down to the 48. Amy, FOMO run for earnings next week. It might have a little earnings run up. What happened? On what? It's just running up a little bit here. Let's see. Yeah, Webull Mobile is pretty good. I do like it. Okay. Would you buy calls for AMC next week? No, I'm not doing it. 2,800%? Woo! There you go. 65% on Microsoft calls this morning. There you go. Weird question. If during MOS they halt trading for 2 days, will AMC options still trade? No, because there's not going to be anything underlying. And options are a derivative. They derive their price from something else. And if that something else is not moving, then the options won't move. All right. No, Webull, you're in Canada. What is that? Interactive Brokers is probably the only one that I know of. You got a son new in July. His name will be the Short Masked Dork. There you go. I mean, it's called the Masked Short Dork, but you know, you're close. You're very, very close, Bjorn. Let's see. Amy, let's see if a push to 18 would be solid. I would like that. 1,600 people, please show some love and hit that like button. Rohit, appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys are engaging with the content. Hitting that like button on the stream helps out a whole lot. TradingView charts are pretty good. Yeah, TradingView is pretty good. I do have a TradingView account. Can't find a suit for your best friend's wedding? 1348. Let's see here. My bad. You were close. You can use Quest Trade for options. Isn't that the one that's like really, really crazy fees or they take a percentage of everything? That sounds awful. You can use Wealth Simple or TD. Okay, maybe it was Wealth Simple. I don't really remember. It was one of those two that were a little bit nonsensy where it was like, All right, folks. Let's see what we got going on over here. What's max pain this week? 17. Got the Rona? 1348. All right, let's see. BBIG flickering around a little bit here. Wife cheating? 1348. Hang up, 1348. Quest Trade sucks. I mean, I'm not in Canada, so I wouldn't know. When Robinhood sells my 7, they might. I don't know. SPY on the way down. Yeah, SPY's coming down to that. I mean, it's hanging right around 435.50. I think they're going to fight it at this level right here. SPY killing my UVXY puts. I mean, right now it is. It also could just bounce and rally into close. Raging explode. Okay. I don't know if 1348 is going to help you with that. You can use wealth. You can't use Wealth Simple for options only stocks, but it is free commissions and now has U.S. accounts. Questrade is the best for options in Canada. Thank you, Ryan. I appreciate that, buddy. All right. Can't find a video in the Discord. It's in the tab called mandatory watch. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, it says mandatory watch before you. That's the channel you gotta watch. Those are where the videos are. So Amy, 1348 cross here. Let's see what happens. Or it's starting. It's like barely crossing. It's trying very hard. It's so close to crossing. One more green candle over here. We could be good. Whoa, Eric B. Thank you so much for that super, man. I appreciate that. 3,001 shares of Amy. I had 501 that I had built up with extra cash from my paycheck. But since December, I've made 52 grand scalping with 1348 and have added 2,500 shares bought and paid for with option premium taken from Citadel. Eric B, that is awesome, dude. There you go. That's the whole goal with 1348. Eric, that's awesome, man. Thank you so much for that super. Portfolio's up 82% thanks to 1348. There you go, Patrick. Damn, you guys are killing it. I love it. All right, Amy's looking for that 1348 crossover here to 1729 right now. Dude, Eric, nice job. Dude, Eric, that is wild. That is wild, dude. All right, SPY getting a little popular. Let's see if Amy's going to get a little bit of action on this cross. Yeah, SPY's just flat. Are you Canadian to do the tutorial? 1348. I mean, you just got to figure out a broker that trades options, like allows you to trade options. Or if you can't, that's why we're getting the Russell 2000 alerts. Patrick, you're good, buddy. I know you're crushing it. You're going to join the 1348 gang. Al Capone. Love to see you in there, buddy. All right. 1730 on AMC over here. Let's see what we get. Hit the like button for the rain drinking stock calling hardest working college kid we know. Mark, I appreciate that, buddy. Do you use open or close on 1348? What do you mean? Like I'm buying contracts. I'm not selling contracts on the other side. 1348 cash now. That's pretty much what it. Oh, Amy, here she comes. Here she comes. Little 1348 cross. Let's see if she wants to get a little jumpy. Come on, Amy. The hedgie's trying to rob us. 1348 and buy more AMC. There you go. Amy, 1732, looking like she wants to get a little spicy over here. You've been at 1348 on a virtual account today, going live on Monday. Christopher, there you go. Daniel, what? No, that dude's a struggler, bro. No, the indicator you use, open or close price? Should be open, I think. I'm not sure though. Honestly, not sure. I just throw the EMAs on Webull. I also have holes in the wall from SPY puts 2 days ago. Why? Amy didn't really like it over here. SPY starting to move down a little tiny bit. Hey, everyone. Hope everyone's doing fantastic. Listen to the last hour of the market of the week. Thanks for the live stream as always. Burhi, appreciate it, buddy. 1348 cross on UVXY. Is it coming up? Is it a big one? Yeah, it is, but it's still below this 200 EMA over here. Amy coming up a little bit. 1729 over here. Oh my God, Lucas. Jesus, dude. Thank you so much for that generous super, buddy. You didn't send a message. If you got a question or something, if you want to say something, let me know. Lucas, thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. Dude, you guys are so generous. Thank you guys so much. You guys don't have to send those in if you don't want to, but special shout out to those of you guys who do. I really, really appreciate that. If it hurts when you beat 1348, I guess so. Lucas, man, thank you. Oh, Amy coming up here. About to break that, the more recent high of these couple of candles. Let's see here. What do we got going on? Hairy palms? That sounds wild. Thanks for all you do. Lucas, dude, thank you. I appreciate that, buddy. I was looking at In the Money channel. You like the poor man covered calls? What do you think about them? Risky? No, not risky. You just got to be careful with them. Like that's trying to like scalp like premium and like have covered calls without actually owning shares. I think there's better ways to do it. You're going to be locked into trades for longer periods of time. My friend put 3,000 of his total portfolio in SPY puts yesterday and lost it all. Jesus. Did I get the $1,000 I sent you on Cash App? I don't have a Cash App. So no, I did not ask you for that money. That was not me, if that's real. If AMC earnings is on March 2nd, it's on March 1st. You should see maybe a little bit of a run up or like a volatility increase, but I mean, careful with trading options around Amy's earnings. Sorry, wheel strategy is awesome for consistent liquidity with options. Yeah, you day trade covered calls, you can do that too. Simply Smith, thanks for the super. I'm special too. Maybe not Lucas level. No, you're good too. Everybody's the same over here. Let's see. Yeah, guys. If you don't mind hitting that like button too on your way in, just helps out a whole lot. 1731 on Amy over here. You have Cash App, send it to me. I don't have Cash App though. AMC looking good going into earnings. Yeah, I mean, we're down 1.98% today after a pretty big day yesterday. 1348 cross on Amy. Yeah, it did. Let's see if we get a couple of good candles. Let's see what the SPY is going to give us going into close. We got about 49 minutes left here. Let's see. What's looking stronger week? We need next week $50 YOLO. I'd be careful, bud. I mean, we already really, really cranked it today with options. I mean, I don't have any settled cash left. Like I'm tapped out. I've done all that I can do. Let's see here though. Okay. Eyes is getting a pop. I mean, UVXY is getting a pop too. Yeah. This 1348 cross coming up here a little bit. Does this have a chain? Oh my God. It's dirt cheap. No volume on this thing though. Careful. Careful. Want to hear crazy? I watch AMC line intensity all day, but you own over 700 GME and only look at it at 4 p.m. Lawrence, that's crazy. Oh, come on, Amy. Go. Let's go. Earning next week? Yep, March 1st. Bumpy is not my birthday today, but thank you. Anonymous hacker group has leaked the database of Russian Ministry of Defense website. Interesting. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if AMC goes down after earnings, but I also wouldn't be surprised if it has a really, really crazy increase. On options, you buy to open? Yes. Yes, you buy to open, sell to close on options, on the things that we do. Close at 18? It'd be pretty nice, man. It would be pretty nice. It's your birthday? Luigi, happy birthday, man. All right, SPY flickering around a little bit here. $50 super. I owe you. Starting 1348 today, I'm convinced I'll get you back. There you go, man. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but make sure make sure you make your money. How long do I wait in the morning to enter trains? Sometimes not at all. Sometimes a long time. Usually it's within the, like try to wait 15, 20 minutes, but sometimes like today I went for it a little bit. Got burned out a little bit in the morning, and then I went crazy on Lockheed, Micron, and all those. Yeah, you're just cautioning on loading people up for, yeah. I wouldn't go crazy on AMC calls going into next week. Like, be very, very careful. Oh, Burhi, appreciate that, buddy. Let's see. EU could exclude Russia from SWIFT payment system and further round of sanctions. 1737 on AMC. Read your comment above. What'd you do, Ryan? What'd you say? Let your Canadian audience know that there's no commission free trading for options in Canada, so you'll have to alter your 1348 strategy a bit around commissions. Yes, you 100% will. All right. 1736 on AMC over here, trying to move up. Picked up more AMC at 1695. There you go, buddy. There you go. Oh, here we go. Amy at the previous or the more recent high that we've seen on this candle. Oh, there it is, 1739. Come on, Amy, go on a little bit of a run here. Come on. We know you want to do it. 1348's telling us you want to go, and let's see if you're going to get going a little bit. Let's see. Short the ruble. I mean, I don't know if I can physically do it. Let's see. Folks, Amy, 1739. New photo, new me. Is that a goat? That's pretty interesting. Spy ran out of juice. Yeah. Max Payne this week, 17. Let's see. Vino, thank you so much for the super, buddy. You deserve more for all you do. Dude, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Let's see. TLT moving up here a little bit. Watch out. Spy's coming up. Let's see. Amy, 1739. Let's see if we can break that 17. Oh, it hit 1740. Let's see if we're going to get it. You don't understand how we track the capital gains? Your broker just sends you a statement at the end of the year, and you're just like, here, accountant. It's not my job. My job is to have the accounting problem, not figure out how to solve the accounting problem, right? MPP is not just a petroleum play. It's also when you go to the bathroom. Yeah. What's a Fetty Wap? Well, we just hit it. We just crossed the Fetty Wap number, 1738, 1741. Damn near cut your finger off trying to catch a Tito's bottle, 1348. Exactly. You'll be joining on earnings day. Casual fool. There we go. My accountant's going to hate me this year. Yeah, me too. Yeah, but then that big tax bill, it's just taxed at your ordinary income rate. It's not that big of a deal. It's just whatever your whatever your ordinary income rate is, that's short-term capital gains. It's not like you get taxed more. You think this could be a bull trap on Amy? I mean, this isn't really a bullish run on SPY. There's like a couple of green candles. Amy's bouncing up here a little bit from these low. I mean, where's the bottom on it? I mean, sort of a double bottom over here, but it fell lower back here. SPY might cross the 1 minute any minute. All right, let's take a look on the 1 minute for SPY. Yeah, SPY will probably do that if it gets a couple more green candles. Let's see. Amy over here, 1741. Ever go to Mohegan Sun? No, but I like Foxwoods. Need more weed, 1348. You know what I just realized, people? Do you know what I just realized? Oh, Amy popping. I have to do a bunch of homework tonight. I hate that. Why? I hate it. Let's see. Lose all your money on other streams? 1348. Exactly. 1747 on AMC over here. TLT moving up. Yeah, Foxwoods is fun. Gotta do homework, 1348. No, it doesn't stop that my homework's due. Foxwoods and Mohegan, I live right up the street. Where are you from? I'm in Connecticut. Amy Ortex. I mean, Amy, 1750 looking all right over here. Let's check AMC's Ortex. 21.2% estimated short interest. How many shares borrowed today? 998,000. It's coming up a little bit here. 1749. Amy's looking good right here. Let's see if SPY's going to get a little bit of a move into close. We got about 42 minutes left. Here we go. Teacher professors 1348. Never do homework again. I wish, man. I wish they would let me do that. Amy getting some volume. I mean, a little bit here. It's coming up. It's coming up. Let's see if we can get that. We're only 20 cents in the red. Like, we could easily run this really quick. Let's go, SPY. It's trying. All right, people. What do we got? What do we got here? It is coming up a little bit. Amy is starting to get a little bit of action. Come on. 1748, still chilling over here. SPY starting to move a little tiny bit. GME is coming up on that 200 EMA over here. That could be all right. Wife's boyfriend giving you trouble? 1348. There you go. Hope Ung Rungs next week. Yeah. I don't have it for next week. I'm done with the oil and stuff. You live in New London? I'm at Yukon right now. I only go to Mohegan Sun for concerts and food. There you go, crap face. That sounds fun. All right, folks. Yeah, as everybody's filtering in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream as well. Helps out a whole lot. Costs you nothing to do it, and it helps me out a whole lot. That's all I ask for. Engage with the content. Thank you very much. The last pop changed my thoughts, looking like a cup and handle on Amy. Where you gonna rip some 1942 this weekend? No. You're unstoppable. I'm not unstoppable. Can you use the 1348 on the Weeble phone app? I think it's the chart's too small. It's probably too small. Did the SPY just cross 1348? On the 1 minute, it might have. Yeah, 1 minute it did. Here it goes. Here comes the SPY. Here comes Amy, 1754, getting a little bit of a pop here. Here we go. Come on, Amy. Wouldn't it be nice to have all these nasty trades that we hit today and Amy closes green? That would be sweet. Unstoppable. Oh, gotcha. That would be a great end to the day. If Amy closes green and we end up just absolutely crushing it across the board, like that would be sweet. Come on. Let's go. Well, 5-minute MACD cross on SPY coming up over here a little bit. Come on. 1348 on the Weeble app is actually pretty nice. Interesting. I've never used it on my phone. SPY looks strong. SPY does look like it wants to go a little bit here. I mean, I want this better. There it is. Amy, 1754. We only need 14 cents, people. 14 cents on Amy. We go green. You can use the app 100%. Yeah, you can. I just think it's a little bit easier to see it larger. So on a screen, I mean, my screen's pretty big. It's a Mac. Let's see. Above max pain would be the first time in a long time with that. I think it did it last week. I think we did a above max pain close last week. I thought we did. Maybe we didn't though. Neo crossing and running. No, not really. Barely. What's a good amount of money to start trading options? You could do it with 1,000 if you wanted to. 500 to 1,000, I think is like the bare minimum where you can like get enough contracts. 1348 best for the 3 or 5 minute. You get alerted on the 3 minute in the Discord, and then you look at it on the 5. So you got to pull up your chart and see. Amy gonna pop above 18, then close at 17.99. Maybe. Are you bragging about your screen size? No. Can we at least see your pinky toe? No, you cannot. You cannot. Let's see here. You definitely won't be looking at multi-charts. However, there's a setting you can do it. You won't be able to see it. I didn't know you could do that on the mobile. All right. Amy's popping up a little bit here. It's looking pretty good. Guys, I have been drinking a lot of water, so I do have to go to the bathroom again. I'll be right back. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Amy's popping up here. I'll be back in like 2 seconds. Hi. Oh, look at this. Look at this. She's coming up a little bit. All right, we got to break that 1760. Then we can start coming back up a little bit. Here we go, folks. Come on. Come on. Live stream need to beat 1348. IMDb. I did wash my hands. Leave me alone. All right. Down 10 cents on the day. We could do this here, people. Spy's getting a little pop here. Amy looks like she wants to go green. Here we go. You just missed the MOAS? No, I didn't. All right, everybody. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. We got to get some more. Oh, Amy's getting some candles here. Come on, everybody. Here we go. Rockets and basketballs. Here we go. There we go, people. Let's see. Yeah, use the 3 minute as a precursor, essentially. Of course, AMC runs after we have to sell out of our options. Why did you have to sell out of your options? Oh, 1760 on Amy. We need 8 cents. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Come on, Amy. Let's go green on the day and make that push to 18. Woo! Here we go, everybody. Come on. Did you use soap? Yes. Stop it. All right. 6 cents to go. Come on, Amy. Let's go. Get some of these candles going up here. Come on. Sacrifice me for Amy. XYZ. Wait, I don't know if that was you. XYZ, you're getting sacrificed. There you go. All right, everybody. Let's see what we got going on Amy over here. We can do it. 18 plus incoming. I'm hoping, man. I'm really hoping we can get there. Oh, she's coming up. 4 cents to go. She looks good. Oh, come on. SPY getting a 5-minute MACD cross here. We could get a little bit of action over here. YouTube subscribers won't leave you alone about personal hygiene. 1348. Guys, I wash my hands every single time. It was liquid soap. It's also dish soap. It's the same kind. Ankles incoming. Hey, if we hit 20, which I don't think we can, but that would be insane if we did. Boom, boom. Yup. Getting a little bit of boom booms over here, folks. Come on now. Come on now, Amy. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you, AMC. We can do. Oh. Let's see. 2:30 is the cutoff on new position on contracts that close the same day. On what broker, though? Mine's 2. Mine's at 2 p.m. They won't let me do it after 2 on Webull. SPY flickering here. Amy is 6 cents off here. We don't believe you? Well, too bad. All righty here, folks. Let's get it. All right, Amy, come on. No. Green candles. Let's go. Just piled in at the gamma for $18 calls at 3 cents. All right, well, that's probably not going to work. Is it your money and you need it now? 1348. All right, here we go. 5 cents, 4 cents. Come on, let's go. Come on, Amy. You can do it. Nice George W on Amy. Yeah, sort of. I mean, it did fall a little bit lower, but that is still pretty good. So here it goes. Here it goes. 21 next week. That'd be pretty sweet. That would be pretty sweet, man. I thought it was 2:30. I'm on Webull. I also, however, I don't enter past 1. Why? Here she blows. She's trying. 1763 right now. 64. She's getting there. You bought your first SPY call? Well, that's interesting. That's a big YOLO. Be careful. You predicted the Ford pop in about 8. You predict a Ford pop in about 8 minutes. V rhymes AMC. There we go. Come on. Can't decide what to name your children. 1348. Says you're green. All right. I guess that's all that matters, right? All right, people. So Amy's looking all right over here. 1762. 63. Just kind of flickering around. When's the cutoff to sell options on Webull? I think they'll liquidate you on a single leg on stuff that's in the money, like at 348, I think is when it is. That's a very specific time. I don't know why they do it like that, but you have 745 shares now. Jeremy, atta boy. There you go. The hell was that? Did he just come up? Oh, no. All righty, people. Let's see if we can get some candles. 30-minute rip your face off run incoming. That would be awesome. Just a personal rule? Oh, okay. Usually by weeklies near the end of the day. Gotcha. 1763 on AMC right here. SPY's just kind of flickering, trying to come back up here a little bit. Just trying. Come on, SPY. 800 shares of AMC now. There you go. 400 AMC shares. Come on, lads and ladies. Defective shadow. There you go. Added 10 more. 3,000 total. There you go. Been holding your 1,100 shares. Might get more. There you go, man. Woo! All righty. YOLO. All right. SPY flickering. Neo trying here. Where's TLT? Flickering. You got 100 shares in your report? Nah, 1348. You took an L on the DraftKings split, but just broke down my DraftKings call. There you go. AMC trying to get to 18, 1348. I mean, it is got this nice little 1348 cross right here. 210 shares of AMC. There you go. Added 10 today. RSI super hot. Shouldn't be after this little cool off right here. Benefit of holding my Amy 1750 calls that are next week expiration or exercising them today? I mean, you would force the market maker to go out and buy the 100 shares at the current price, but it's not that much of a difference. If you think that it's going to continue up over the next week or so, then I would hold them. But I mean, it just depends on what you're personally comfortable with. AMC and GME run. I'm hoping, man. Here we go. Come on, let's go. We're literally 7 cents away from the green. We could easily do that in like less than a candle. Notice me. I'm from the other ideas of the world. Zelly Zen. How you doing? Wife about to leave you. 1348. Trying. Can you explain why my Amy calls are losing money when they're in the money and expire next week? Probably just the spread on it. 26% on your spy put. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, squirrel. Yeah, Amy looks like she wants to go a little bit. Come on. Come on, Amy. Lucid crossed up. He was 36 minutes behind for 15 minutes. Oh, God, Kyle. That's not good. That's not ideal. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Oh, new high on AMC, 1768. Here we go. There it is. Flat right now. Let's see if we can go green. It is so close. It is flat right now. If we hit 1769, we're about to go green. There it is. We are all, it's flickering red green right now on AMC. Here we go. All 2 cents in the green. I mean, that's not crazy, but it's nice to be green. Come on. Let's see. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Here we go. We're pumping. Let's go. Come on. Let's get to 18. Defective Shadow. Thank you so much for the super. Have a great weekend, STV. Any plans? I got to deal with my dog a little bit. I'm going to take him again. And then I got to do a boatload of homework. Sucks. I have an exam coming up. I might have 2 exams coming up. I don't know. I hate it. But it's fine. Let's see. Oh, man. Amy looks like she wants to get a little spicy here. Come on. 1774 looking all right. Hit that like for Green AMC, says Jordan. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys engage with the content. Get this out to some more people. Let's see. 1774. We're about to hit Declaration of Independence over here. 1776. Come on. Let's go. Flickering around. Happy Independence Day. It's coming. Let's see. Sriracha sauce. I do like sriracha sauce. The sriracha is good. You make enough money to not study? Oh, I know. It's just stupid that I have to make my parents happy, which is silly because the whole point of going to school is to like be successful and be fine. But like, if I don't need school anymore, then why am I there? It's stupid. We need 1800. Well, that would be nice if we got to 1800. Oh, flickering back red green. Let's see. Rhode Island. Thank you so much for the super SCV Gamma Squeeze after hours pre-Monday. I don't think that there's not really enough options on the chain for it. Rhode Island. There's not really enough of them. Got parents, 1328. Jesus. Hit the likes and more green, says Eli. There we go. 1774 is the high. All right. We're back down a penny in the red over here. Spy's coming up here. Come on, Amy. Let's go. Even though you don't need it, you will learn a lot. No, I will learn 0. I will learn nothing. Defective Shadow. Thank you so much for the super. What's my dog's name and breed? It's a giant golden doodle, and his name's Bodie. Let's see. 1770 on Amy. 1771. Come on. It's your last semester, right? Just finished? Right, but it literally doesn't make sense to do it. It does not make sense. BBI Jesus hit my 1 share button. I'm confused on that one. Spy Bears get wrecked. Uh-oh, avocado. Squirrel, you're struggling. All right, we're 2 cents in the green here. We got 28 minutes left. Let's see what happens. School is for fools. I don't know. Oh, you bought it? Interesting. What do we got going on here, folks? Rip your face rally. I would love to see it, man. Can we just get a $1 pop here? I mean, I'd love it. 1771. Spy coming up a little bit here. It was just leftover money you had from buying AMC. Simply Smith. There you go, bud. 1772. I want 18. We need some boom boom candles to start firing off. Here we go. You spend all that time and money, get your piece of paper, right? But I don't care. Like the whole point of doing it was so that I could, like, it's not going to do anything for me. 0. Like, provides 0, nothing. Spy coming back down. 1770 on AMC. You have a music degree. Haven't done anything professionally with it since I was in school. Just finished though. Why though? Why? It doesn't make any sense. I completely understand you when you find out the whole financial system is. I just think it's stupid. Like, why would I go? You make more than your teachers, probably. Depends. Some of them probably make a lot. 3,100 shares of Amy. Woo! That's a lot. You have 1774 as resistance on my chart? Well, that's exactly what the resistance is right now. Lou candles? I mean, that would be nice. Uh, let's see here. Whoa, Eric B, dude, thank you so much for the supers, man. I appreciate that, dude. You are being generous today. I appreciate it. After 20 years of commercial construction, making 50 G's a year, I quit and invested 40 G's for my retirement and made over a year's salary in the last 3 months, 40 G's to 92 G's. This has changed my life, whole family's life. Thanks for all you do, Eric, my man. I'm really happy it's working out for you, man. Dude, congratulations. That is awesome. Thank you so much for these big supers, too. I really appreciate that, man. I have an engineering degree and I'm a practicing structural engineer. College isn't a waste of time for everyone. No, not for everyone. It's not. If you want to do what you're going to school for to do, if you need school to do it, then you have to go. Uh, you should go to just have completed something. One day you may want to. No, they will go. It just depends on what they do. The thing is that if they were doing something like that, I'd be like, don't go. Look, what? You can always just go back. It's not like it's anywhere. SB making dreams come true. I'm trying, man. 18 end of the day. We're at 1766 right now. Getting wrecked up 35%. Oh, avocado. Yeah, SPY is slowly working its way down here. You might be perfect. You might be in a good spot here if it comes down to the box. I mean, I'm hoping Amy starts to come up here, but I also hope your SPY puts print. So if Amy can get some candles and SPY can come down, that would be the most ideal scenario over here. It's about the people you meet and the life experiences. Dude, I sit in my room all day and stream. I just want to leave. Let's see. 1761. Smash that like. Thank you, Pam. I appreciate that. Hey, SV, you can just insert your unsolicited advice on your life choices right here. Thank you, Keith. Appreciate that, buddy. Let's see here. Come on, Amy. Because you skip last. Exactly. All right, everybody. Make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in, too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm going into close. 1760 on Amy. We easily could still get some boom boom candles firing off here. Amy. Let's see. What's going on, guys? Just say it. I mean, I did. All right. TLT. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday, but thank you. I appreciate it. Pam, how you doing, Pam? How you been? No one wants to hold over the weekend paper hands. I'm not holding anything over the weekend. Yeah, they don't want the 1750s going to money. There's nothing there though. It's 4,000 contracts. It's nothing. That's like less than 40,000 shares. Looks like they're happy with 1750 finish. Yeah, they could be. Let's see over here. 23 minutes to go. Just joined the Discord. Eager to start playing with the 1348 strategy next week. For those of us who are just starting, can you give us a 30-second overview of the strategy? Andrew, you got to watch the videos, man. It's just the 13 EMA. So when the 13 crosses below the 48 EMA and it's below the 200, you enter puts. If the 13 crosses above the 48 EMA and the price is above the 200 EMA, then you get calls. That's the simplest way to put it. You got to watch the videos before you start trading with it. Isn't 1750 max pain? Yes. You aren't holding anything over the weekend. What about AMC shares? Well, obviously, yes, but not like trades. We have just enough time to jump back up before close. Yeah, I mean, it might come down to test the 13 and then start to go here. I mean, it might cup and handle if it has time to do it. I don't know if on the 5-minute chart it's going to be able to do it. Let's see. Is this an attack on AMC or a cooldown? No. It's just everything's kind of flickering around. He sold his AMC. He just said so. Funny. Let's see. 1754 on Amy over here. SPY has oversold so much. Bad news built in. Yeah, I mean, avocado, they really kept this above 435.50. Monday might be the FOMO chasers. It may be. Batman is Thursday here. Oh, there we go. Batman. Batman. They're hard to follow, but if you don't, it will not work. Exactly. Gotta watch the videos. Would not want to be working for Melvin Capital right now. Dude, me neither. You're probably gonna get fired. Oh, Amy popping back up. 1758, 59. Let's see. TLT moving around a little bit here. SPY trying to pop. GME 118.58. All right, let's see. Batman 3-1 for me. Bam. There you go. 1755 on Amy. TLT flickering around a little bit. Let's see. Batman and earnings next week. I know. That's an action-packed week that we have coming up next week. Does any service tracks Max Payne week to week? Yes. It's you can go on Swaggy Stocks or just type in like Max Payne AMC and it should come out. But Swaggy Stocks does it. Contracts are 100 times of a stock. If a stock is $10, contract shouldn't be 5. No. Chris, that's not how it works. That's not how it works. It has to do with Black-Scholes. It's a model for options pricing. Has to do with time decay, applied volatility. Key was maintaining weekly SMA for the bear. Yes. Well, to screw the bears, right? $34,000 call volume today at 1750. I don't have the volume on this. Where is it? I forget where it is. Interesting. I gotta figure out how to add that back on. Bears won? Oh, they did. Interesting. Why would an option 318 have 75,000 open interest for the $95 strike? Because people want a YOLO and hopefully AMC goes up before then, so they make a boatload of money. But will it? Who knows? It's just a gamble. Is it me or SPY Premium's juice for next week? They probably are. I just haven't been. I trade SPY daily on the day that they expire usually. Just because like it's the contracts are so much cheaper. You can get big moves and you can make a bunch of money. We did that on Tuesday, I think. Tuesday or Wednesday. We absolutely killed it on SPY. Let's see here. Trevor, thank you for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. You didn't ask a question, but thank you so much, dude. I appreciate it. Can you explain the process for determining the move that is priced in on options for earnings? It's you at so if the stock is trading at 100, you add the $100 put, the $100 call, and then you divide it by 100, the share price. And then that's the move that the market maker's pricing in, up or down. How's Lucid doing? Let's see. Lucid up 3.38% over here. I'm curious if someone tracking how all equities finished their week compared to Max Payne, like all stocks finished in the ballpark. I mean, somebody can do it. I'm probably not going to. That's a lot of Max Payne work to do. You can look at it. Did I make $1,500 today, Vix? I think I made above that trading. It was a little over that. Nice little day though, huh? Nice little day. Let's see. Anyone get calls for March 4th? No, I didn't. I mean, I have March expirations. I don't think they're going to hit, though. How many times we close at 17? Jacob? A lot of times. It's not that good. It could be a lot better. I'm not trading with that much. So here's what I do. Honestly, I'm not trading with that much money. This is the reason why I could throw a lot of money into a trading account right now and do it and have really big gains and really big swings. I don't want to, though, because the thing is you guys have seen me paper hand stuff, and I'm like, you have to get used to trading with that type of money. Like if you typically have like looked at dollar swings in the past of like not a lot, and then you throw a bunch of money at it, it's going to be a weird emotional thing that you're going to have to. So I would just rather just build the account up and then get used to it along the way of like, all right, well, now I'm trading with this. I do this. I'm not in a rush to just like be making $50,000 in a like craziness on options. Like I'm not trading with that much money just because I'm trying to slowly build up the account to get used to having that money in there. It's like the thing with lottery winners. Like they just blow it right away. Like it's hard. It's a different game if you're just trading with more money. Look at you. You only had like $200 to start the week. No. Like there's no reason to just be like, oh, I'm going to throw a bunch of money at this. Because if you blow up your account, it's going to suck. You don't want to do that. SV, you're 100% right. Huge difference. Exactly. So like, why not just grow the account that way? It's not like there's no rush. Like, I don't have to rush to paper hand the VIX. Exactly. So I'm trying to avoid doing that with a lot. Like, if I'm throwing like 5 grand at contracts and I'm screwing around with it, yeah, I could have made stupid money today. But like at the same time, I'd rather just take my time and slowly build it up. Trevor, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Sorry, I missed the area to ask a question. Shoot. Here's my question. What is max pain? Is it good or bad? So max pain right now, the price is 17. What it means is that that's the price where the most amount of calls and puts expire out of the money, which benefits market makers, the people who are selling them, like in general options. It hurts the people who are buying them, where most of the time that's retail investors. What's up with IRNT? Why the sudden drop? Ooh, I don't know. Thank you for the supers, guys, though. I really appreciate that. IRNT 13. Ooh, I mean, it just kind of lost the momentum today. I mean, it had a little bit of support at this 200 EMA, which is not bad. Whoa, Keith, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Here's my contractually obligated daily super chat that I must give you daily, according to the shills. Thanks, Keith. I appreciate that, buddy. My March 18th, $16 calls were so close to being profitable. What? Can you fix that, please? I mean, I'm going to try my best, man. Risk management, exactly. But see, the thing is that I could technically just throw a bunch of money at it and just be like very, very disciplined with risk management. But you guys have seen me on Fridays. I'm like, oh shoot, I'm gonna YOLO, and I'm like, I don't really want to do that right now. Might have to join his Discord. Eli, you should. You should. It's me, It's me, Review Dork, and the Mass Investor in there just going hard with all the alerts that are getting sent out on 1348s. And again, guys, the link to that is in the top of the chat over there. You definitely should join. Even if you're just going to learn the strategy, make sure you learn it. Made as much as 80 grand in one day last year. Blew up my account too many times and ended the year down, taking it slow now. Exactly. Short report on IRNT. Interesting. I'm so mad. Oxy and BKT both flipped on me. Seems like I lose no matter what. Well, take a lesson right there. Oxy and BKKT trade weird. BKKT will shark fin, and then Oxy does weird things all the time. So right now, I'm probably not going to be trading a lot of Oxy and oil stuff anymore just because it's weird. Like, whoa, Matthew, I appreciate that, buddy. Get yourself something nice from the dollar store. I appreciate that. Is there room for me in the Discord? Just chilling? Of course there is, buddy. Let's see. Dollar store. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Whoa, Dumb Marine Trader. Thank you so much for the supers, guys. I appreciate that. What's your opinion on Lucid going into earnings? Dump due to not much money coming in, or a rocket because it's a high profile EV? It depends on what they can do. Because Lucid's not. I don't think they're really like selling a lot of cars yet. So they're going to need to really sell people on guidance. Like, they need to issue wild guidance that they're going to crush it. AMC's coming back up a little bit here. 1761 looking all right. Ooh. So maybe I'll play Lucid, but it's going to be very, very, very expensive in terms of what you're actually getting. Stephanie, thank you so much for the supers, guys. Difference between a straddle and a strangle. Strangle is when you buy contracts that are out of the money on both sides. Strangle is buying and selling options that are at the same strike, or buying contracts that are the same strike. So buying a call, buying a put at the same strike. DraftKings day high. Really? Is it ripping? Oh, there it is. SEC Gary Gensler tweeting about the new short seller disclosure rules. Yeah, I have it up on my screen somewhere. I forget where it is. Yeah, I have it up right here. Gary's comments. I'll talk about that in the video tomorrow or tonight. I gotta see when I'm doing it. Let's see. AMC 1763. Not bad. This is the most informative and useful stream. Period. Thank you, Joshua. I appreciate that. Let's see. Yeah, DraftKings popping up here a little bit. That's not bad. It is coming up. So this 1348 was all right. You would have been down over here, probably like 30-40% on the daily, and then rip. Guys, thank you for all the supers, though. You guys don't have to do that. Thank you very much. Oh, Amy just went back into the green. Hold on. Flickering here. Down 3 cents. Here we go. Report saying Russia lost 2,800 troops. Whoa. Subi sickness. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. SPY moving around a little. DraftKings moving up. All right, you win. I'm canceling all my other Discords and joining the Three Amigos today. Trey's Lamb, we'd love to have you, buddy. Maybe, I mean, I'm obviously biased because I think ours is the best because it's teaching you exactly what to do and then giving you a tool to make it even easier. And it's not just like, hey, I'm buying this. Hey, I'm selling this. It's like, I don't think that's helping anybody. But yeah, definitely come over and learn the strategy and come hang out with us in there. Like, we'll definitely be having some fun. DraftKings is popping up here a little bit. This is getting interesting. Did anyone see they're doing prop bets? Yeah, that's not good. You can't do that. That's not good. See, when people say like you shouldn't be trading like Lockheed or like spy puts when war is happening, like that's silly because the market's going to do what the market's going to do anyway. But betting on like that, the prop bets, I see a problem with that because that's directly gambling on like what happens. Like that's not all right. Like the market at the end of the day is going to do what it's going to do. Here's the thing. Russia's freaking out today and or like everything's going crazy in Ukraine and the spy's going up. Are you going to yell at me for buying calls on stuff when there's a wartime? Like, am I not allowed to trade during these times because I'm worried about offending other people because I'm making money in the market? No, that's silly. AMC's coming up a little bit here. If AMC hits 18, that nearly 1 million shares needed for hedging. Interesting. That's not bad. Since Gasparito deleted tweets, have you noticed shills are basically gone? No, we've had a lot of shills in here. Let's see. Look at AMC. It's right here. It's flat. Flat, flat, flat. We got 10 minutes to go, people. Also, how do you define victory or defeat? It would be with the media. It's like prop bets on an election. It would just be the media deciding, which is essentially what happens anyway. KB, I appreciate that. Thank you, PayPal. Oh, dude, DraftKings is getting up here. Woo! How long do you have to be able to close calls on AMC? You have until 3:48. Someone called you a shill last night, Luigi, for saying what? Motley Fool deleting articles too. I haven't seen any of that, but I looked. I mean, all the articles look to be still there. DraftKings is looking good. AMC back into the green, up a penny over here. Max Payne is 17. Astros diamond hitting is $5,000 AMC calls until close. Well, that's crazy. What strike is it? AM7. What strike is it? Can I join also? Please let me know. The Discord. Guys, everybody can join the Discord if they want to. It's linked into the top of the chat over here. It's the first link in the description too. If you want the alerts and access to all the private live streams, you got to get the premium. Everybody that's in there is saying like, you'll probably like, a lot of people are like, oh, I made the premium for like a year in the first trade. It's like, yeah, that's probably what happens. Lucid finally coming back up after getting slammed. There you go. How is strike? What? Aftermarket hours, AMC may be interesting. Yeah. What's SPY at? SPY's coming up here a little bit. It's at 437.36. Been watching you guys for a minute. I'm gonna have to join that disc. Dude, man. I mean, if you guys need a little bit of time to like see if it works, that's why I try to trade and show you guys what I'm doing every single day because it freaking works. Imagine being a surfer who won't ride a sick wave because sometimes people get knocked off their boards. Yeah, what set as yeah, no, I'm not doing any of that stuff. I don't know. Called a shill for that? You got called a shill on what? For like buying put? Like, come on. Like, get out of here with that. Market's gonna do what the market's gonna do. Are you gonna yell at people that were buying puts during the pandemic? No, like what? It's crazy. It's crazy what goes through these people's heads. His strike is 1750. I mean, he's in the money, but the contracts are essentially worthless. Like the contracts are worth right now $18 a contract. 1801 on the Battle of 80 on the, oh, that would be pretty cool. I mean, I hope we're a lot higher by the time that comes around. DraftKings buying pressure now. It's coming up a little bit. It's up 1.8%. AMC is sure moving with the market. It is now. Tesla, boom, boom. Things are starting to come up into close, people. We got 7 minutes left. We're flickering red-green over here. Is the premium Discord geared more towards option trading? Yeah, you can trade shares with it, though. That's why we're loading up all the stocks in the Russell. Printing on Raya and Merit? I said Raya and Merit. Mara and Riot. All right, 1768, 67 on AMC, flickering around over here. SPY trying to move up a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, as you're filtering in, just hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot, with the overall YouTube stuff, getting more people in here all the time, and it makes it easier for you to find the streams, on the days that I do go live. So if you do enjoy the stream, make sure you engage with it so it's easier to come back and find it. His calls are 17. I mean, then they're worth about $67 right now. They're probably honestly worth like $70 right now. Let me see what the yeah. Whoa, they should be worth a little bit more going into close. That's kind of when you would extra, unless this is jacked up. Yeah, this is screwed up. These should be worth at least $66. I would be offended if you didn't law. Who's to say the money you make today could go to preventing something later? Yeah, exactly. Also, at the same time, I can't control anything. Zero, like zero. Market's going to do what its market's going to do. If we start seeing like actual economic effects in the United States because of this, okay, do you want to be able to make money in the market and help out your family? That's how I view it. You have to be like a little selfish. Serious dip buying opportunities last week. Yeah, there definitely was. Oh, SPY's coming up here a little bit. 32% on docu calls. There you go. He has like 300 of those calls. Jesus. They're going to fight to push us below the 1750 in the last few minutes. I mean, we got 5 minutes left, people. DraftKings. SPY moving up. 17 is Max Payne, yeah. Does Gabe live stream? Review Dork does not live stream now. Or he sometimes has. He's come out of mine before. But we do the private live streams every Sunday and Monday night in the for the Discord. Do you put half of what you make on options aside for taxes? Probably should, but I don't. DraftKings running up again too. That's more of like a figure it out later situation. Inexperienced traders are great buying puts with shorting two distinctively different animals. Yeah, true. But like if you're gonna be like, why are you buying puts? It's like fucking the market's going down. 1767 on AMC over here. 1788 coming. What is that? 1767. We're literally flickering red green right now. Come on, SPY, push us up. If I buy your Discord, will you show your forearms? No, stop that. Is he gonna exercise? You should almost at that point. If the contracts are literally, if it makes sense to exercise, then you should. He like at that point to get more value for it. Yeah, but does data kill you over the weekend? No. Okay, Amy down 3 cents right here. SPY just kind of flickering 437.55. Come on, AMC. I love you. 1801 close. It'd be sweet. We would need to see some candles fire off in the last 3 minutes. We got 3 minutes left to go here, people. Okay. Come on. We can do it. We can. Ow. I just heard Anonymous declared cyber war against Russia. Yeah. I mean, that could have been why NVIDIA got hacked earlier. The cyber attack against NVIDIA. What do you think about the new rules coming March 3rd? I haven't seen anything that's actually coming out March 3rd, so I'll take a look at them. I'm going to look at some of the stuff over the weekend as well. Smash that like button, so close to 1,000. Lucifer, appreciate that, buddy. I doubt he has that much money. It would cost him like $500,000 to exercise. Oh, then that would be insane. Let's end the week green. I'd love to see it, man. We're down 6 cents. We got 2 minutes to go. DraftKings, we're pumping. You got a fractional share at 2 cents. The price they showed when I got the receipt back is showing AMC at $12.50. That's weird. Love 1348, 170% of Verizon calls today. You guys are awesome. Ron Jones, there you go, buddy. Last chance to hit the like. Thanks, Space Station. Appreciate that. Can't wait for earnings. Yeah, lies, says William. William, you need like help. All right, let's go. Dude, we're so close to going green. Hello again. What's up, the Sam? How you doing, buddy? You have one March 4th contract for AMC 1780. Should I hold? I can't tell you what to do, buddy. PayPal paid today. Yeah, so did Lockheed. It's mind-blowing that they can pin the market so well. Yeah. Ask Israel's prime minister to mediate negotiations between Russia and Ukraine. Oh, interesting. Likes to 1,000. Peterly, appreciate that. No volume. Nah, we got less than a minute to go. Here we go, people. Come on, we can do it with 3 cents, 4 cents. They're flickering it around over here. Spy's trying to come up. Hold on. We got less than a minute here. Come on, Amy. 1348 made PayPal. My bitch. Dragon Mom. There you go. All right. Amy, chilling here. Let's see if we get buyers coming in at the last second before the week of earnings and Batman coming out. Ooh, baby, here we go. Just hit that like last minute. There you go. Thank you, Rico. All righty, folks. Amy, 1764, down 4 cents. Less than a minute to go over here. Oh, boy. All righty, people. Let's see. It's flickering. It's flickering. 2 cents. 3 cents. Come on, we can do it. 1 cent. Oh, they're trying. They're trying to push it into the green, people. They are trying. Almost. Flat. No, it's flickering. It's flickering here. Oh, baby. Come on, Amy. Woo. Let's see. Ding, ding, ding. Amy, close the day. 1766, down about 2 cents. GME closed the day at 118.54. SPY closed up 2.16%. Jesus. Woo! All right, guys. This is going to be the end of the live stream for today. Again, if you don't mind hitting that like button on your way out, it just helps out with the algorithm. And again, guys, you have all weekend to learn about 1348 going into this next week. So make sure you guys check out the Discord link. We will be doing that private live stream on Sunday and Monday. If you do want to join premium, that's where you're going to get access to all the live streams, all the alerts on 350 stocks, cryptos, and we're loading up to 2,000 stocks in the Russell 2000 on the daily time frame. So thank you guys all for an awesome week. That was freaking fun, especially today with Lockheed, that 600% gainer. Woo! That was awesome. So, guys, hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Shout out to the mods, all the members. You guys are awesome. The new members, everybody that's just being positive. Thank you guys so much. Hit that like button on the way out, and peace.